Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
So see it, big up yourself, you know. Me not really play a song, you know. I play one and two look or something and thing. And even when I play songs, it's old school R&B I play, you know. So me see your comment, Blessings Raga, I have a new song named Tight Pum Pum on the Shake It to the Max rhythm. Can I send you it? Well, you know, me know why you waste your time, Papa. I know you're probably not familiar with what we do over here, but me not really play a song. I play one and two look old something we me did record from 20 odd years ago, but this is not a song playing show, you know? It's really a talk show. And even times when I come on and I play music, I be R&B I play. 70s, 80s, 90s R&B. Big up yourself, man, but all the best for your sojourn and thing and your new tune when name Tight Pum Pum. Wagwan people, big up on yourself, you know. All right? We're there. Seeing blessings and respect all massive all crew, large up. I don't know everything is everything, though. All right? I'm going to bring this thing up here, so yeah. Yes, I. Mellow, big up yourself. So see, I think every woman should love that song, right? So see, have a song, we don't hear the song or anything, you must say, but the song, the title is Tight Pum Pum. And so Seed on the seat in the chat, so Seed is saying that he thinks that every woman would love that song. So Seed, you could be right and you could be wrong. But it's not the title of the song that do it. It's actually the lyrics in it and how it is delivered. That is what's going to determine if every woman are going to like the song. But if you think that just by the title alone, that is something that people going like, well, probably not, you know. Particularly the type of woman over here, you know. And most of the women I'm over here, they're not young girls, you know. So you find that bigger man, since you think that most women will, I just want to tell you, like, bigger man, they're more likely going to be turned off with the title of that song, you know. Why? It's an often used title, you know. That title, no disrespect to you, but there is oh, you want me to play it for them? Oh. So even though I tell you I'm not play them something over here, whatever, you basically make an argument say most women are gonna like the song and you insist them if you play it for them. No, so see, the woman them over here, them not go too like that song there, yeah? One, in terms of context and location, this is not the venue for it. So even though you have some big man, them will like, you know, a couple of slack song from Vibes Cartel or Massacre or whatever, those are not common, you know. Most bigger man, them like romantic type of thing and whatever, you know. Them not really like them something there, yeah. But you have a lot of young girls like that type of thing, you know. So, you know, so you'd probably best if you give a selector, one who play music and two who play music for them type of people, for them age group there, you know. But most women over here, them not gonna like a song when you in tight pum pum. But you can have a song named Tight Pum Pum and based on the lyrics and the content and so forth, you know, if it is very creative and delivered tastefully and whatever, people will like it, yeah. But, you know, not for right, yes, you know. Most women over here, them hear the phrase tight pum pum so many times and whatever that it's kind of played out for them, you know. All right? No disrespect. Anyway, Bunnaman, a good morning, yes, sir? Well, I can't good morning. At what time now in Italy? I think Italy... Oh, I think they're 6 hours ahead, you know. You sure it's 11 o'clock, Latisha? Latisha, are you in Italy? No, man, I think Italy is always 1 hour different from England. Time in Italy. No, man, I'm on in, man. 12:13 a.m. in Italy. Yeah. Yeah, because I know them always 1 hour. You know, them always 1 hour more than England, London, and so forth. So if it is 11 o'clock, after 11 in London, no, it should be after 12 in the morning. Yeah. Lady Riri, big up yourself, you know. Large up on yourself. And think, all right, location roll call, where you watching from? Where you watching from? Let me see if I can keep up. I will not be able to. Okay, but where you watching from? Where you watching from? Where you watching from? Which part of Jamaica? Cute, Brooklyn, Hercules, California. Some place name, sir? Los Angeles, Idaho, Atlanta, North Carolina, London, Canarsie, St. James, Queens, St. Kitts, Turks and Caicos, Spiantown, Mexico, St. Kitts, New York, Maryland, Mandeville, Manchester, England, Manchester, Philly in the building, Thornton Heath in England, London, Nassau, Maxfield, Stony Hill, Washington State, Texas, Montreal, Philly, Avon, Connecticut. I'm familiar with that place. Big up Avon, big up Simsbury and all them ends there. My one time stomping ground when I lived in Colebrook and Winston. Pembroke Hall, St. Anne, Bamboo, Clarendon, Colorado. Oh, that's in, yeah. Rockland County, just up from within New York City, yeah. St. Anne, Bamboo in St. Anne, Miami, St. Mary, Red Hills in Kingston, Rainy Hanover, right now, West Palm Beach. I'm a drive through West Palm, you know, I've never actually gone anywhere in there yet, you know. For somebody who spent so many years in Fort Lauderdale, that thinks of me did this. Windsor, Connecticut. Munchina live now West, so she now watch them now. Deltona, Parkland, Markham. Hello, Antigua, North Lauderdale, Stratford. Hello.
Yeah, man, Jamaica in the building, man.
Yeah, where at? Which part of Jamaica?
But Raga, I want somebody alone.
If I want what?
I want somebody alone, son, Raga.
Want somebody sound so? We are say, we
After
are.
work jam,
We are say, we are.
Wacky Friday.
Eh.
I told the crew on this Raga, man.
Who?
Tony Chrome.
Where you say, father? Where you say?
They have a call in and big up. Look how long we do see Raga.
Look how long what?
Look how long we don't see Raga.
No, well, you just see the live still, you know. I know some there for weeks now, weeks upon weeks.
You know, man, do want to on the right opportunity. I should work.
Okay. So what go on? Everything balance?
Yeah, to run that page and
Yeah, everything balance.
do all the thing. I have to wait till me free up, you know.
Seeing. So where you say differently?
They are bless you up, man. I'm glad to see you do some things, man. We know you're not there Jamaica again, but we know see I catch up on the TikTok thing.
Yeah, I'm still I learn it, you know.
Yeah, I saw we have to get to see a car good while. I reckon I'm going to see a Raga there.
And there, man.
Put you go and fly, that's a Raga there foreign and
No, man, me
Yeah,
there, man. Everything balance, and I give thanks and I cut and go through same way. All right.
yeah, man. Good old days, man. You know, remember them days.
Proper. It go some man, seeing.
Yeah, man.
All right, my general. Big up yourself here, sir. All right.
But there, man, go on the thing, man.
Manners, blessings. All right. Next thing. Me post a video on my page and on my other page them with can I know some I take out snippets out of the show. Just take out some snippets out of the show. I always post them, you know. And I did post the snoring. I post it this morning, you know. And someone say I go on and did send it so and no it not show up. I took it down. I take it down. Because to me it wasn't a big deal, snoring or whatever, but two things make me take it down. One, I see some people start put some comments there. Them don't mean nothing about it, but let's be clear, they're just being funny and whatever. But they were kind of harsh, you know. And they're kind of harsh, right? I will have fun over here. We say a thick skin and broad back, yeah. But, you know, we don't want to go too far for be unnecessarily mean to people, right? Well, that is my call as the person who I run the thing over here. All right? And then the second point is, no, me play it, yes or no. The second point was that you see, the snoring thing for women, it's actually different from men, you know, for women and men, you know. The snoring thing is a sensitive thing for women, you know. Yeah, the snoring thing is a very sensitive thing for women, you know. And it's the type of thing where if everybody laugh with it and I make fun of it, you know, them, me just a think about the lady. You know, me just a think about the lady, you know, because some people did that go in hard, you know, and whatever, you know. While we wait for some requests forward, people have a friend, you know, and she's fairly liberated, you know, in certain ways and whatever. And one of them little sneaking woman, they still, you know, very bad like a yard, you know, but you don't never know. And she buy one massage or something. One hand massager where you have to put on your body and it do it thing, it vibrate and it massage our body and whatever. And apparently, according to her, Nanisha says she have that. According to her, Nanisha said, it's amazing. I wonder how it is amazing, Nanisha. Based on this story, I'm going to tell. So according to my friend now, so she did a massage, and she said, it's very good. I want to sit where you hold and do and whatever, you know. So it's portable. And she did a massage. And then she start to massage her leg them, she say, you know. And she do her leg and she massage her inner thighs and whatever. And she say like, you know, she did her massage and then, you know, it was just like, whoa. She said it was like, okay. So she said she just it's like can I use it and just graze it? And she said when she graze it, she just like, whoa, wait. And you know how we balance up with thing over here, we don't get in any graphic details. And she said she had to spend some time with focusing the massage on a certain part of her anatomy that resulted in significant and heightened feelings of pleasure. And now, according to her, it looked like anytime she massage, she ends up very relaxed, you know, and feeling like, yo, the massage something I really. And just like that again, you know, something that was intended for some one thing and whatever. She and even see her treat, I never know she turn, you know, bad lakawa. But you see her as the sweetest little angel and thing like she carry my hands and all these things and whatever. And see you know, the poor little sitting where make for massage muscle and thing. You know, I really massage no muscle. It's being used for something else, according to my friend. Or whatever. So these are the creative ways in which you know, see people dress up and looking sophisticated and classy out the road and whatever. When you're frightened if you know some of my things when them are gallant with, you know, the privacy of them own look space, you know, when them I get busy and all these things done. That is that. Okay, one more. Can't answer this now. Sure, go on. And one more now. So this man is a trucker. And he's Jamaican. And him say him not really pick up Hitchhiker, you know. But him see this woman here and him say him spirit just tell him say the person a hitchhike and him say alright, you know. So him ask a person where them a go and them say if him can drop them at the next city. So I'm saying in general, them not really do them something there because you have some crazy people out there and thing and them say, no fight time a woman a do the something them and people just assume say it's a man a do it and whatever. So him pick her up and thing and whatever. And then now, whenever I drive, you know, she said to him, say, she not really go in any vehicle and whatever. But when him stop and she said her read of him was like him sound decent. And she said when she hear him accent and things, she pick up say him come from Jamaica. And she said Jamaicans in general are nice people, you know. So as far as she concerned, Jamaicans are not serial killers, which is not true. We actually have many serial killers in Jamaica. We don't just call them, we just call them gunman, but not serial killer in the way that they are in the United States in general. But we have people in Jamaica who kill enough people. That's a serial killer. So anyway, them a drive now and him say, she say it's really hot because something for do with him AC or whatever. She say it's really hot and thing and whatever. And if, you know, if him mind if she take off our jeans. And him say, him not a problem with it. And but him ask her if you know if she naked under the jeans. And she said, no, she have on her underwear. And him say, all right. And him said, I just want to be clear, I'm not interested in having any type of intimacy with you, so don't believe so me I go move by you or whatever. She said, nah, man, I pick up that already, man. I pick up that already, man. Say, you know. So. So him to boom, take off our jeans and thing and in a vehicle and them a drive and I go down and thing and sit. So him say them a reason and them a talk and thing. You know, them just a reason and thing. And him say, you know, that's something that when you don't really look over. You know, you have people who, like myself, who decent. We have some situations where when woman naked, you know you're supposed to turn away. Yes, I am that guy. I make no apology for that. Just manners and decency, you know. So him say because of that, him not really look over when him a talk to her. But him say them a drive for long, you know. But him say him not really look over, him particularly not look over down with you know. So him say them a drive and thing. And him a say the conversation good or whatever. And him say one night time, you know, for, you know, him have reason for look and then when him looking glance and him say, what she have on and thing and him a say, no sir. Him that can't fat so. That him a tell me, you know. So him a say, him kind of glimpse and say, boom bad. They not all that fat so. And but him never directly look, you know. But him say, chew it in his mind or whatever, him just want, you know, take a look again or whatever. And when him look again, him must say, nah man, something right this, man. Something right. And him say, is she now, say, I know we're not going to do anything. You're Jamaican, you know, so don't worry about that. So, I mean, I could tell you. And him say, tell me what. And I just said, the woman said, I am trans. So, what he must say, and think of the fat, something, the fat, gummy. I don't know, gummy. That's an instrument. That's a tool. That's a, you know, a man something. And him says, she start laughing and I say, yeah, I know you Jamaicans, you kind of crazy with that and whatever. And him says, she jokingly say, you're not going to kill me, are you? And him say, nah, but I'm not too comfortable with you in a vehicle or whatever, you know. And she asked if him can just still carry her go to the city. And him say, yeah. Him think about it and say, yeah. But him say, him no want in a conversation with her, you know. So she say, but we were talking good, you know, want to talk to me? Him say, no, I don't want to talk, you know. But me drop you off and you come out and you just go where you go and think and whatever. And him ask her if she could have put on back the jeans. And just say, you know, she ask him if, you know, that's a big deal for him. And him say, yeah, it's a big deal for him and thing. And she said, okay. She put on back the jeans and whatever. And him drive and him not talk to her. Him say him drive for about hour enough. And him say him not talk to her after that. And him reach the city and him drop her off and she just say bye and that's it. So it's not a grand mix up and thing and whatever, but in a female mind, he must say, boy, look how me not really do them something and pick up people or anything and whatever, and you know? And then him end up go pick up that woman here who turn out to be trans with one big lever sitting and things. So in a female mind, maybe it's a female argument, he must say, boy, you have to be careful, you know, because in them time, you just don't know who is who. Just like that. But what Raga always tell you, don't run in. Don't run in. Nowadays, more than any other. One time gone, you know, woman could have tell woman. You see when Jerry Springer do them something there, and you have these, you know, women who, these men who are, these, okay, let me say right thing. These so-called people who look like women or men, you know, from back in the day, Jerry Springer always do them something. I think Maury did them type of thing. Women could always tell, right? Enough time we get it wrong or whatever, but women were always on point. They could tell Like woman can pick up woman. And I said, no man, a woman that and woman. And I said, no, and a woman that Kingsley and a woman that Raga or whatever, you know. But they could always tell. That change now, you know. That change now. Enough of them trans woman or man with them do them makeup and whatever. Then trick woman all the while. And trick woman all the while. Woman get tricked with them now. Right? All the while. Like, woman get tricked. Right? See, woman them say, me can't tell nowadays. Right? Yeah, so Nicky said, enough people get tricked now. I say, true. See there, true. Yeah, man. In other words, them get very convincing now, and the whole surgery thing and move Adam's apple and all them something there. And yo, you know, see some of them man they when them put on makeup and thing and them do that something that them put on the makeup them and them come as woman first and then take off the makeup them and I have to say bombard star Jano. Yeah. So with all them look at something and whatever people may are telling right now. Wouldn't advise, well, in general, there's don't ever too running, you know, particularly to a man them, you know. Don't ever too running, it don't make sense. All right? Just take on the time, you know. If you know want to end up in an uncomfortable situation, just take on the time and go easy, man. See? All right? One other thing. A woman should have her man. And she have her friend, a really good friend, right? And the friend bring her go and place with one youth who she know, right? But the woman, she have her man, you know, and she bring her friend go check one youth who she know. She and the youth are reason, but them never do nothing yet. But she and the youth are reason and thing and whatever and way. But them never do nothing yet and whatever. So she and the youth are talk, but nothing happen between them, you know. So one time now, it go, let me get you right. So the friend go get involved with the youth without she know. But she have her man, you know. But the friend get involved with the youth. But remember say, as she bring her friend to meet the youth, you know, because she and the youth in a dealings. You know, I guess he's like a potential side man or something, right? All right. But the friend now start deal with the youth quietly behind her back. Then now, she now go start deal with the youth after. So the youth who are the side man really, right? He might draw for somebody who have her man. And that somebody go bring for her friend come over. When she bring for her friend go draw for him without the friend know. And him and a friend they start dugu. Right? And then now after a while, the woman she actually get in with him. You know, on a Bunnaman level. Remember I say she have fear man too, you know. She now come over one time and surprise him now and go pick up, said, no man, one woman there, man. One woman there. And them are arguing whatever and thing and she start search up a place and whatever, all these things and whatever. And boom, when I closet, our friend come on. So she start cuss him and I cuss a friend. So the friend's response now is, what you go answer for? You have your man. One, you have your man. Two, when me and him start do so and so, you and him never do nothing and you never interested in him. So remember, you know, our friend bring her over there, you know, the friend who have fear man, you know, bring she come over there, you know, and she now, I take the man now and I say, one, you have your man. Two, when you bring me come over here, come meet this man here, you never interested in him. The man didn't interested in you, and you never interested in him. Right? And that's why I take him. So fear argument is, me never take nothing from you, me never betray you or nothing or whatever. Right? But remember, you know, she a Jim Screechy doing, you know. And if she a Jim screech it, then she's being sneaky, right? Anyway, the other one start argue with her no and thing and whatever, and then mash up and all these things and whatever. So the one who went name then I said to her, say, you know, the friend who did attack him and whatever, say, what a big deal. Just allow me with him, man, because you have your man. So just allow me with him. So the one there said, nah. And me bring you over here. And me meet him. And me know him. Right? And me, and my choice if me want to get involved with him. You can't come tell me, say me follow him just because you go take him behind my back and thing, and just because you know, say me have a man. So a friend I tell her, I say she for just cool, man. And about to make it thing get ugly and kind of imply, say, you know what, I'm going to say, you know, because that will jeopardize the thing with your man. Me think say our friend, you know, me and some other people are talk about it and thing, but you have some people who make the argument like, yeah, you know, the other friend what she do is never too kosher, but she right. Nah, me not think she right. Then basically I said, no, she not do nothing wrong. She not betray her friend because she did have her man and she never want the man when her friend take the man. Me not agree. If it was that, if it was to the point where nothing really not wrong, then just open with your friend. Just say to your friend, say, well, you don't want him. You know, you want me give him a talk and see what I go on with him. You're cool with that? Simple. No, probably she thinks that she so much want the man now. She want her friend, potential Bunnaman, that she don't want to ask her friend, so she rather go hide and take the friend and thing and then have some justification there and thing like that. I don't know. I think it is still a form of betrayal, even though, you know, the friend did have her man, and even though she never interested in him like that, I think it is still a betrayal in some ways to say you still got hide and do it, even if it was only a potential Bunnaman for her, you know, and thing. You know, me no understand. Let me see what I want to say. Somebody said betrayal, yes. HRH, me would have do the same thing because the two of us single. Me not understand because the two of them never single. Chrissy said betrayal, yes. Del said betrayal. Nanisha said good COCKY for share. Nanisha, you're a bad girl, you know. Why you so bad? I want to spank you on your wrist. Yeah. Pick up the subway. What is that? Pick up the subway? I mean, I know that. Next time she will learn not to introduce her side man to her friend. Okay. Wagwan. Evening.
The other day, I come up here and I did that about my story.
Yeah.
I tell you something, I really like the crowd.
Yeah.
Anyway, make me refreshment.
Yeah.
I did that talk to this person. And when I did that talk to him, same now I'm not person.
Well,
Right?
I'm not. No, man. You're the earphone speakerphone
No,
or
no,
Bluetooth? Huh?
No.
Okay. All right. Go on, talk.
So, him did I look me for 10 years, right?
Him did I look for 10 years?
Yeah, so me have refreshed everything.
Yeah.
So, me finally give you, I make me try it.
All right.
Did I keep on Friday party?
Yeah.
Everybody know how get us here.
Yeah.
Anyway, when I go at the party,
Yeah.
him never know somebody that come.
Him never know say
Right?
what?
I did that come.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, because when I'm cousin to keep a party. So when I go now, girlfriend in front of the bar, cousin in the bar. So when I did know, I say 4 rum cream. So I tell the cousin to touch you. You understand? I tell the
No,
cousin to
hold on. You said 4 rum cream?
yeah.
You order 4 rum cream?
Yeah, cause me and my cousin do
Oh,
liquor.
okay.
Yeah, but you feel cousin in the bar,
Yeah.
me end up now and tell the cousin say to touch him. Come on, him serve me. I make him know something at the party.
Yeah.
So anyway, I can't hold him now. So he come to me now. And I ask how much you do pour rum cream. Me know I say in a dance you not take care, you know. You understand?
Right.
So me say, me have my card for me, so me know how much. So the 4 rum cream. You know have to pay for them. Anyway, me did it. Woman alone. So I say go and pay your own. Anyway, me and my cousin them want to go back up our top of we have. When me look at him back home, say me now go down and me and him apart. Like anyway, me dey there and me yacht with my 4 cousin. But when me look at him that come for me,
When you
party done and everything over
hold
and
on, you
done.
never tell when I mix up you already.
Exactly, that's why me refresh you now.
But you tell whoever about everything what you did tell me already.
Now that's why me say me refresh you. So me can start back from where me left off.
But start from where you left off. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so the phone did a ring and the girl end up come a boom down the part 2 and him and her end up in a fight. She did there. One of them dropping at the gully. Him dropping at the gully left she and
Well on, him and her a fight, him and him woman a fight after because you and him did in the room and they do so, right?
no, me and him do nothing yet.
Oh, but she come up there and then the two of them a fight and him dropping at the gully.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then what?
And then after that now when he come in say me I go up. After I tell I say your brother did a call on the phone. You understand? So when him brother when the girl end up and go home and to meet so I say your brother died?
John, well, you there beside a road or something or car pass you all the while? What a whoosh sound in your phone. It comes in.
Alright, when I go inside, I'm call you back.
Alright, then cool. Hello?
Yeah, manners and respect.
Yeah.
So no, me just two name. What a topic of conversation.
Oh, so
No,
anytime anybody say that, them not really did have anything to say, usually.
you'll not be surprised.
No, but I mean, yeah, but so then, you talk about what you want to talk about. If you have a mix up or a
All right,
drama, yeah.
all right. Let me ask a scenario. Me give a pose a scenario. If me and a lady go to the casino, we would just be
Yeah.
just a time.
And just me, just a link, yeah.
Yeah, we give her $1,000. And say, babe, enjoy yourself. Do you think she actually win for a large sum of money?
Mm-hmm.
How much money do you think that woman if keep for herself? Or how much money you think if you give me? Cause me have an answer when me would want to hear. But I just want to see where you feel about that, or where the people then, where your audience feel about that.
You want me to give a lawyer answer or a ragga answer?
Want the rock answer and the liar answer.
Well, the lawyer answer is she don't owe you anything.
Okay.
She don't owe you anything. But just in terms of like an everyday thing, just whatever, she will give you a thing. And now ideally in a situation like that, you will say half. Hello?
Well, you know, when I want my wife, me don't want she, me don't want, and this is not what me don't want she to do, but in my thinking, if this is a woman who never put a ring on her finger, but I
Yeah.
want she say, all right, babes, see the money here, what you gonna do with it? You know what I mean? And then but I say, you know what, John, no, this is a wife material. This is what we're going to do with it. But I say most women in the comment I say, me not give none, me not give this, me not give half. So that's why I really want to hear what you would have said about it.
All right. That's why what me would I say is a rule when me live by. Anything you give woman, do not tie any expectations on it. But if, like you say, you know, like if you're in a position that you get a woman, you look her, you know, you take her on a date and you go to the casino, and if me get her $1,000 and say, go and play. And if she win, and if she come and she say, see the money, you split it or
Why?
whatever, you know? No, me I rate that woman there. Me I rate her, yeah, me I rate her right through. Me don't know about wife yet, because we just a meet. But me I rate her right through. That is a woman, 5 years after she called me, you know, so me that look at Jama, I have her back. So why I'm, you know, she not do me nothing wicked or whatever, but I said, boom, yeah, you know? At the same time, if she win too, and she say half, yeah, me I rate her too. Yeah, me I rate her too. But the key thing there is, when I tell you, anything you ever give a woman, make sure you just give her with the understanding that she not owe you anything based on you giving it to her. That way, if she not reciprocate to you in a way what you think is reasonable or based on your interest in her, you won't be experiencing any disappointment there. And that way you can, in a rational and comfortable space, judge her and say, oh, I see how she move. All right. Well, I mean, give her the money and she win and thing like that. Well, you know, just call it a loss because she move mucky and thing or whatever. Now, if you want to go and talk to her, because you say, all right, I just have fun. If she want to have fun, me have fun. Two of you have fun. But definitely not somebody me not go there with her, whatever, then make it, you know, make your little move this and whatever. But so that is the simple answer, basically. But if you give her and she decides she not give you nothing, she's not legally obligated to do it because you gave her the money unless you entered into what is referred to as an oral contract with her that is binding, and you know, under the law you have some
so the
elements.
woman will not give the money and not obligated to give the money. Is that a woman where you would have text you? Say, all right, no. You see some people in the comments say, but I block you after they can see, no, I wouldn't give you none. You know what I mean? So what do you think about the mindset of women like that?
No, so you must pay attention to that. You must you see what you see there, what you see the woman them say, pay attention to that. And learn from that. And don't be a fool with your money.
Somebody said, does he understand what a gift is?
You see what them a reason? You see what she said? Does he understand what a gift is? So they're continually making the argument that you're not entitled to anything. So what I'm saying is don't hate them or disrespect them or whatever, you know, just understand them.
Right.
Right? Now, you see the same woman them who said that? You see the same woman them who talk about and all them something there? If you win $1 million, them same woman there, I got reason and things say, what a dirty money. Me and him go out and whatever, and him win so much money, and him do him pay me off for good food and whatever, this like that and whatever. The same woman them who you see in the chat I say that. See, some of them start laughing. And what you see, some of them post me one half and whatever. They might keep it 100. So don't even take it personal. When I say you just need to understand that and about make, you know, if she look good or if her front fat or if you want, yeah, look wife or whatever. And make that cloud your judgment. Because at the end of the day, when you can stand up like a man and say, nah, boom, 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 boom. At the end of the day, they may not like you, but them have a respect you.
Facts.
You understand?
Yeah.
All right then, cool. I say a
Alright,
word.
big up yourself.
Yeah, man, cool. Greetings.
Yo, Raga.
Yo.
Afternoon, Raga.
Yeah, man, good afternoon.
A long time I listen from my youth, you know.
Seeing? Wagwan.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I come for the program already if you come in, but you never take me the first time, but the day in I box, you know, and
See.
give thanks to that.
Seeing?
Yeah, man. I never want to look a mix up thing, but never look a thing, you know.
Yeah, make we hear it now.
All right. You know, me and this church woman I friend, you know.
Mm.
They got Pentecostal, she got one other church. Me never church she go.
Mm.
But me and her is a talk, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And me's a sharp guy, you know.
You're short, okay.
And yeah, I'm a tick. So never know the woman I admire me and thing, you know. So she have a husband I always look a simple man and thing.
Oh, you never know, so she did admire you quietly.
No,
Oh,
never know.
never know.
You understand? So
Yeah.
you know, with a talk and thing.
Yeah.
Till her husband come and ask who me is.
Mm.
I say, I will look a friend man over with us. Normally come in the park and sit down and talk.
Mm-hmm.
So one night, me did them and the woman a reason till the woman say, yo, before following good on the road.
Yeah.
So I said, follow you good on the road. I say, yeah man, follow me good on the road.
Mm.
Raga, a big woman for me, you know.
Oh,
Could have been my mother, you know.
she could have, about how old she is?
About in her 50s, I mean, about night time, I mean, about 20 or 29.
Oh, okay.
You know.
So then you follow her go down the road.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go down the road, me had a beat, you know.
Jeez, yeah. What you mean? You're nervous? You're nervous?
I'm nervous.
Yeah.
Anyway, for her go down the road and she say, yo, you know, go down the corner there, so. Then I say,
Hold on. When you say the corner this, what you mean?
no one look at corner, I want to look at go club right down there.
Oh,
You
so,
lock off now.
so I want to look at corner off a road then and just look
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what happened?
Right, I'm go down there and she said, go down there, she said, take off my clothes. Somebody said, take off clothes. Somebody said, what you talking about? She said, so I feel the pistol.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Somebody said, but you're not married then, you're not church man. I said, film man pistol now go on and film pistol you want to feel because I was hard man. I'm a
Yeah.
chicken, catch you be a type and wear now and tight shirt, you know.
Yeah.
So I look on the Muslim, you know.
Yes, man.
I'm tell her, say, go down there and say, feel the pistol.
Yeah.
Say, yeah, this more I feel.
When she feel the pistol, what she say?
She said, yeah, this more I feel.
Yeah, man. That strength that she want, don't.
Yeah.
Mm.
So me I said, do I say warm drawers one? And he said, soft, like a sponge.
So when she feel the pistol, you ask her about her husband.
Yeah, because I know she married woman. I told him that I see him church.
All right, go on to her. Yeah.
So I said to her, I said, what? You married and thing, I church woman. She said, her husband not please her, not go on for her husband. So I said, boy, me never deal with a married woman then, no. I said, come go try, man, come go try.
Mm.
Doing me, I do whop and thing.
Wait. What you mean? Whap. What you mean?
Nah, do the thing, man.
What on, man? So on the what on the roadside?
On the roadside.
You know, they look a corner there, don't?
Yeah, like a dark corner.
So when you say whap, like what kind of position she did in?
Boy, you bend it over.
Oh. And you send
Yeah,
on.
I said,
Yeah, all right.
I'm saying on.
Yeah.
The way me I do it, I said, boy, me I want like me I go. Cause she not get them things from her man.
Yeah.
So me I tell her, I said, boy, you know, so when younger somebody and me teach me how all of them look thing, them look style. You have to have style.
Mm-hmm.
And me I tell her, Raga, dash it up and me dash it up on her and thing, you know, man. Me I tell her, boy, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
He said, boy, franchise, it's a long time she not feel so. But me I said, boy, you married him, and look how long you married to him, man. He said, 2 man can't mind him.
Okay,
You understand?
okay,
Man have to
okay.
care him good.
Okay.
So you don't want to leave him, man.
Okay, so you and I they do any more of that after?
Long after me and I do that. But when I time we are doing thing and your husband I call him. And he must say, yo, your husband is near, because from your husband I call him, your husband is near. So why think where about me, Raga? He man start friend me. And then, you know, that's one Sunday, like yesterday, they invite me at church. I say, Raga, they say, you have to club start, Raga.
Them
You know,
invite
go
you go
church
them
today.
invite you go church yesterday?
No, man. I know yesterday, man, but me I tell you, yesterday like it's Sunday.
Oh, yeah, like a Sunday, like yesterday, right? Them
Yeah.
invite you go church. And then what happened? What did happen?
Anyway, my guy at church, you know. Guy at church, I mean, it was one day I front, you know. And you man, cause to a long time we never do it, we do it that time, we never do it again. You know. So you man, me and him I walk at church time, I say, yeah, pistol, see him, I say, yeah, man. I was blend up my things, I'm gonna drink up my okra juice and all of them.
No, that not really apply to the mix-up. But when me answer, like, what happened? Did something happen between you and the husband?
No, man.
Oh.
Not true. We are walking at church and say, ask me, then think the same way.
Oh, okay. Oh,
One
so
house, I think,
not
up
really happen. Just that, you know the husband, you talk to the husband, but you and her do
Yeah.
so. Okay,
So-
all right. All right, well, you get
when
a
you
bus
got- when you
then,
got-
all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So when you go at church now, then put me in a middle. In a church, it's long. So feed them up on the left hand side, the husband up on the right hand side, me in a middle. And every minute I find out so she a look by me. You understand? And so she a look, the husband a look. But when
Hold on. Is this leading to basically she still wants you? That's basically it. Another phase that she wants you.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we hear say she wants you. We hear say she get you and thing and whatever. But if something crazy never happen, we probably can move to our next call and thing. But that's basically it.
Hold on, let me tell you what church going, man.
No.
So-
Hold on, man. Me I said to you basically I tell we say this church woman here have her husband and she like you. She give you sort out and it sound to me like you're going on our next phase because she still want you, correct?
No, man, me I tell you about in a church now, when they invite me at church now.
Doesn't me ask you, did something dramatic happen in the church?
Yeah, so now me I get to know, man.
All right, tell me.
Yeah, so when we go in a church now, me and I mingle, and she and her husband I look for me every minute. Then when the pastor there I preach now, he come like the pastor I preach for me. I talk about fornicate and them thing there. And each time I preach, me and I make 4. I'm say Raga, me in a church now come like me a burn down like a church, you know. Me a burn up. And the church have AC and fun. And me I tell you come like me a burn down. Me I tell you when he catch me, when the pastor preach and I couldn't like him I come wrong right down to me. Like she I said, like him I say, I trouble somebody wife, rape. Mr. Raga, me could do nothing and left out of the church. All them I call me say, where you go? Me say me can't manage in this. Me can't manage this. You find that me no go back to church, Raga.
All right, then.
Go back.
Yeah, all right. Respect for that mix up the papa. Big up yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. People may tell them if I want to, you know. And you can't tell me if I lie, me I tell. You know, most of the thing with the man them call it is with them, you know, them a mash up something and them a, you know, it's like, you know, some woman are dead over them a mash up something or whatever. It's just that most of the man them a call in with it, you know. Remember me mention it and thing and whatever. It's like, you know, I don't really mix up that, you know. Queen's Eva, big up yourself, you know. You know, to all I man them, if you basically a call, I go tell you a thing where you end up sort out a woman. I don't mix up that, you know. Not that it's so like is entertaining or interesting or intriguing or appealing, you know. And you don't realize how you're doing it. Because you just a be men, you know, where because you know, when you think, you know, oh, that is like it's bound to be entertaining. And bust that one up on Raga show, you know, and things like that. But all you do, you tell me, say you sort out a woman. Basically. There is nothing interesting in the story or the mix-up and thing. And in a phone of mine, when you're just so caught up with this thing, and like, yo, I sort out the thing, you know, and it's always like when I sort out a next man woman and thing. Men, no disrespect, but that kind of get tired. It's like, you know, when I make the woman, the woman them a call in and I get interesting mix-up, you know, entertaining mix-up or whatever, you know. Men, when they not going well, when they not represent for the man, them good enough, man. You know, you not call in and tell me, say, yeah, I'm very, I'm get the sort out and thing, and she love the strength and whatever, and she feel the pistol, and I send it up, man, I'm bend it over and whatever, this and that. Trust me, listen to me. To the average, most woman listen to me, you know. All of my social media platform, them are 78% a woman. Yeah, a woman. Most of the woman follow Raga. Enough man listen to one thing or whatever, but you know, the woman them that not appealing to them, you know. It's like there's nothing there, you know. All right. I mean, I said it's a peak pound, but just I say it to make my show interesting, of course, without apology. But at the same time, I just make you aware, because enough one the man want to do it, on think, yo, this shot. I start out, I tell you, I shot out the woman and bend her over and things like that. Yeah, sometimes it get tired too, you know. All right? So just keep that in mind and things. So we want X mix-up or any other mix-up we want to have.
All right, Raga, I'm ready to tell you now.
Oh, are you?
Me
Oh,
again,
yeah,
me again.
Wagwan. Yeah, Wagwan.
Yeah, all right. About 22 years ago, when me about 20,
Yeah.
I talked to this guy with about almost a year. Me don't know where him live. All him do a come meet me a road or me go a film yard. So me I wonder say, how it be like that? So me tell him say, I want come in yard one day. Him always a tell me say, no man, he will come which part me there. Him not tell me say have no woman or nothing.
Yeah.
You hear me, Raga?
No, man, I hear you, man. Go and talk, man. Yeah, me, I hear you.
So,
Well, on, do me a favor. You have a
so
fan.
one night now me decide
Well, check. You have a fan and blow it on you in your phone. Here, move her from it.
Yeah. Hold on. All right, me turn off the fan. You hear me now?
Yeah, man. And you just jump back in your bed, right? Yeah?
Yeah. You hear that too?
Yeah, me hear it too,
Yeah.
man. You hear that bed, man. Yeah, talk no, yeah.
Okay, so we are deal with almost a year now or something. I never know when there.
Yeah.
So one night me decide say me I show up in yard now, you know, come on find out where my hide.
Yeah.
But me is a girl who always have me look a weapon and thing, but me always a walk with my knife.
Yeah.
So when me reach out and gate now and me call him, he come to me, turn up 2 minutes and say to me, say, him a go bathroom, me soon come back. I'm a look at about and I say, no man.
Hold on. So you just turn up on me yard out of blue, so?
Yes, and a direction. Me ask Tina, me know the street and something where I live in, but me never go yard it, you know. So when me go there, me ask somebody to show me the yard.
Hold on, so at this time, the two of you have it, so you there? For 1 year?
Yeah, that him a say me,
1 year, and
Yeah.
so you don't know him, so you just turn up on me yard.
Mm-hmm.
All right, go on.
When him come to me, Raga, and say, my God, bathroom, me son come back now. When him walk off of one woman that me say walk come out, come drape me up long time, you know.
Yeah. What you mean drape you up? Oh.
Yeah, me hold on. Yes, we not know what on my blouse, na my chest, so.
Jeez and peace. So what you do?
Me tell her, I say, me say, woman, leg off of me. So she said, no, I thought me want to talk to you.
Yeah.
So me say, leg off of me if you want to talk to me. And me a dip for my knife in my bag now, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
But she said, just calm down, I thought me want to talk to you. And me say, all right, me I go listen to what you say. She turned to me and said, you know, say me and wife. I said, what you say?
All right.
She said she a church going lady and a vision, she vision me and everything. And this me just gonna show up in her and make it vision come true then now.
Jeez.
And me I tell her, say, Raga, feed it then it's when he come back from bathroom.
Yeah.
And me have to turn around to defend the woman and now authority that beat him and beat up him man in front of me.
Beat her up for what? I don't understand it. No, him wrong.
Yeah, because yes, I him wrong, yes, but him a try to because the woman come and tell me a bag of things.
Yeah.
Yeah, so him a try him defend him a try like I cover up for himself now like him a say woman a tell me pay a lie.
Right. So you defend it for her?
Yes, I want yeah, he want to lick woman in front of me. Me have to turn on a defend the woman now. Raga, you see if I pack my bag, you see if I take myself and this so me at 42 now, me no see him back.
You not see him? What you mean? Him did try to reach out to you?
Me no want to see him back.
But him did try to reach out to you?
Yes.
Okay.
You don't look back for him.
Okay. Well, a regular thing that, you know, when one time...
I was say if I was a person. Sure.
No need to stop that. Don't watch a chat when you not talk to me, all right? A regular thing that I go on nowadays. You don't know for a long time doing, you know, generalship, you know, people go on when them look at ting. But you see what you do? You see that's something that what you do just pop up, so.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something.
Because Raga, let me tell you why.
No,
I
I understand because the reason why you do it, you know, is something you suspect to, you know, and you want to find out.
Yes.
And that makes
but
sense.
I not only that neither too.
What?
I not only that. Let me explain and tell you now. One time I say me I go look for him. As me step out of me yard, one of my neighbor just grab me and put a icky on my neck, just spitefully, you know. Show me say my man, him love me for a long time, I never interested.
Who love you have? The neighbor?
So my neighbor, yes. So me put on my clothes and I go about my business now. As me reach out and me get in, just come grab and for me spiteful and just put on the icky on my neck. And me I say, you torment, but me not even a penny straight and take it for nothing. Show me know me never do nothing wrong, me go straight to him same way. As in see the icky on my neck, one box.
Him shot your box?
And me ask him, so where you box me for? Yeah. Me ask him, so where you box me for? He must say where me get icky from. And when me start explain to him, no, I apologize, I tell me saying sorry and so from this on me I say, all right, I'm a man then. Me personal then, for me and him a deal so long and he reach this so. Me want to find out more about it too. Me I come at your yard.
Oh, well, but me understand what you say. So when your mischievous neighbor now go put the icky on your neck and ramp with you, and then when you go check him now, and as soon as you walk up to him, boom! Boy, shot your box cross the
One
face.
box as in see.
Yeah.
I'm asking him where him box.
Hold on, and all right, so him give you ears. And then after that, no, based upon your reasoning, then you basically say, oh, so if him can't feel so strong about this, that him go shot me a box then or whatever, I guess we're dead then. And that yes, sir, right?
We can go for it. Yeah. We can find out where you live now then, because we want to know where you hide all along.
So if him have rights now, we go shot your box. That means that the two are on there.
So
and
me
then
have right to
you have
turn
rights
up.
too. You have right to turn up too. Okay. Okay.
Right.
But I just say, you know, back in the day when me did a while on the road, you know, man. Anytime me a date a woman, you know, particular early out, you know, and she come turn up like she has surprise. Me done with her right there, so, you know. No, man.
Well, next
It
year
was one
round,
of
and me
my
done with
rule,
it.
man. No, that was one of my rule back in the day, man. Them surprise turn up, them woman there, done with them. You have to discipline. Them could have look good looking more. Them chun could have turn up looking more. They start out, cut them off. Any woman turn up at your yard, unexpected and thing. And you know you govern your thing and I manage your thing. Me cut them off, done with. So when you not call me, no, when I talk again, then I become come on your yard. Yeah, because you come on me. No, but I just wanted to surprise you. Nah, we're not dead as up. Me not do that something day. You know, come on my yard. I mean, never. Me go to your yard. You see me go to your yard. No. Hey, me not just. Oh, I'm afraid of that. That's something there, man. Any woman who would pop up on your yard, you have to watch that woman. The problem. Me never play with that something there, man. Anyway, no, but I understand what you're saying because you did have to know what is what. Because if him feel same have them real things, they for fire boxing in your face, because yeah, my woman me can box it on now and all these things and whatever. Then you need to know what is what where you really in it, because you don't want to surprise you. The same way the wife come drape you. I could have been another woman who come monkey lotion you and all them something there and you did I think you alone in
Same
a
way,
picture.
so.
You see it. Yeah. Anyway, balance your thing and thing. Blessings here.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Respect. Cool.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. People back in the day when you don't know you're out there and you know you have your local respective road code and all these things and whatever, man. You know, you have some woman, man. Can you know you have woman and man out there. Them. You got psycho women, psycho men, and you have to don't ignore the red flag, them, man. And if somebody you and them just start talking and them come pop up on your yard, me not join or something, man. One time, me and this woman just start, me and I don't do nothing. And thing and we have security at the gate and then call somebody out the table. But I can't come up on my balcony from the apartment there and look. And when I look down and I see and she and whatever, and it's I just ball. I say, what you do ya? Oh, I just came to visit you. Don't come back. Don't come back. You and somebody just attack. You don't do nothing yet whenever you turn up at the person's yard. But you know, look, man, so I'm not supposed to can't turn up on your yard or whatever. Now play that something. That no work.
Yes, Raga.
Greetings.
Greeting, man.
Yeah.
I forget you like a mix-up. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me used to be a popular taxi driver in Jamaica.
Yeah.
So, alright. Get this woman here, but the woman have a man.
Yeah.
And me and my woman, but me and my woman no live and him and my man no live. So the man when
Hold
the man
on, say
live
back
with the
that
next
again.
man,
You never said that right. Say that again.
yeah. Me say he have a man, but the man no live.
Right.
The man live a Spanish town with the next woman. So when he come look for the woman per weekend, he tell the woman say, when he live with say my guy mother and come spend the weekend with the man. Come spend the weekend with the woman.
With the woman. Okay.
Yeah. So when he come spend the weekend with him now, he just carry for his mother go give him Saturday morning and come back at the woman. The woman put him all at bed and come a party with me. See?
Yeah.
So one night now, me at work and the car broke down.
Mm-hmm.
And I call my brethren. My brethren drive the car to the garage. But my brethren did not deal with the man niece. But the niece about the yard with the woman. So you don't know what's a Raga when I mix up papa and the car woman and tell say car broke down. He must come sleep with me now. And I say no man, me I go home. And talk me down and solve me heart and go.
Mm-hmm.
And I go. You see about after 3 in the morning, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
Me hear the dog like you want. Me am somebody out the door.
Mm-hmm.
And the woman get up and peep through the window and say, Ras, the man. I grab my pants and my shirt and my boot and one mine and say, run under the bed. But me say, I run under the bed, I can't turn up for fight. It's a big drag man, him go mash me up.
Mm-hmm.
But I make some pop and bust, I go do and slide in my room and I go in there with the knees. And slide through your house, slide through the kitchen and go out the door. Go turn up in a one job straight toilet and I put on my clothes.
Go stand up in
When
a
the
one,
woman-
go stand up in a one what?
One job straight toilet.
One what?
The toilet, the one them call job straight, man.
One name, so.
You don't know the toilet, the one they use a country outside, man.
Drop straight?
Yeah. And a flush style it. The one like where they use drum and dig out and you understand?
So the reason why it's called but me never hear that name there. So the reason why it's called that is like when you do it just drop straight down.
Yes. They call it Latina and chop straight. When me slide out the door, and in a hit up it and me close. The woman say, man, come in. And lift up all the bed and I look underneath the bed. And when he look in see back door, he ask the woman, I who up in the back door and my brethren say me. Me tell the woman say, yes, I'm never do never did
the
that.
brethren just say
And him who up in the door. Yeah.
Him the door. So I'm a
And I said to him, I said to the woman, say, yes, I'm never do never did it. When you open the door, the speed on the passing with all the breeze all licking down.
Yeah.
From that, me not got no woman yard again, rather.
You know, Jai, that's something.
Yeah, man. About 2 miles from where me live. And me never bother wait upon a taxi. I run go home. Yeah, man. But anyhow, me did under the bed in a ragga.
Yeah.
Me don't know what they go and find. Man, they mash you for me can't turn off the fight him.
Then that man said that's why me not like
that.
Time
me run taxi from Old Harbour to Spanish Town. And the man live a March Pen. So anyhow, in the
hold on, a March Pen come from
yes.
Since you know that the year of the year, you know it's a March Pen. I know the people, I don't know normal people.
Then I show you. Yeah. So I don't know if him barrel, him virgin strap or him carry his strap with him ragga.
Yeah,
so the woman as a boy, for me is a big thick man, you know. The woman say never know some so slippery man.
Oh, you mean? I feel Lego.
Well, yes, man. And then say when trouble take a picnic shot fit you.
When trouble take a lot of God picnic shot, it go fit you. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, man. If him just open the door, and never do never did they speed when they pass him when man the breeze are licking down.
Down that and go through, you mean? Run outside and thing and whatever and keep it moving and thing. Oh, me no wrong.
Yes, man. Every time I remember about it, I have to laugh, rather.
See it there.
Yeah, man.
John, no. That one the nice.
And that me not got no money hard again, man. If you meet at a neutral ground, you come on my own.
Yes, man. Hotel or your Oga tree.
Yeah, man.
Right? Hotel or your Oga tree. Yeah, that's something there. You understand?
If you don't send anyone like dog, them come bite me.
No, but somebody post and say, I the dog save you because I the dog. Yeah. Make up one bag of nice and thing or whatever and make you say, right, I want to go on this. I want to go on this. And thing, and you can make a move and then Lego the ends and thing and whatever. Yeah, why? Man. Some things you would do for chun-chuni, man. Jeez,
brother, I mean, one next bridge, you know. That one yard, you know. And when the man come upon him, you know, he jump through the window and jump in one jump of water,
when the man a yard roll up and thing, him jump through the window and jump in one jump of water, don't?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, no. Yeah, I respect it. Big up for that here.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, brother.
Yeah, man. Cool. Hello?
Hi, Raga.
Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
Good, man. Born good and still good. Yeah.
Last week or this week, one day me and one lady I tell you a story about how she lay down on the bed and two people are do the thing beside her. And she pretend she asleep. Well, we did have a similar story.
What happened?
Two cousins. But them older than me.
Yeah.
And me always go over them yard every Friday and spend weekend. Because the parents them grow together. And we just call each other cousin. But this girl when we sleep with her night time now, she was like 16 and me was 12. And her boy cousin come from country. And him go sleep in another house there, in another brother room. But in other hours now, him come in our room, but they on the bed. And them, me I pretend say we are asleep, you know. And them decide say them go do a thing.
Well, then are two cousins that.
Yeah, them are real cousin, blood cousin.
Like two
He
first
says,
cousin, as we say in Jamaica.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, cousin and cousin make what? What we say in Jamaica?
Wild good soup.
Yeah, go and talk, yeah.
So here now. Here how them a go try test if me asleep. Now the boy that I feel up my little titty them. See, hear me now. And just roll over.
How old were
But
you?
me
How old
not
were you?
sleep,
How old were you?
12,
How old him was?
16, 17. Them age they cause my cousin, the girl was about 16.
Mm-hmm.
So me say, Raga, when them say, hear them now, shall sleep, man, shall sleep. And me say them start, them put on a piece. Next thing you know, me see her upon her knee them. Appear backers from the bedroom go in the living room. Then now when them turn the corner, me jump off of the bed.
No, what you mean? So what you say backers from the what? From which room to which room?
From them come off of the bed after them do it, lick up on the bed, them jump off of the bed.
Yeah, and she go
up
on her knee.
Yeah. In the living room. When them reach bust the corner, if you go in the living room, me jump off of the bed and follow them and I watch them.
I watch them, what you see?
Me just watch them till them done do what them a do, and me just run go back on the bed and pretend me asleep.
So at 12 years old, you see that? Two cousins?
Yeah.
Two cousins?
Yeah. Then give a joke more than that.
Yeah.
When she did have a half brother, and him in a feed room.
Yeah.
So him was about 14. And she tell me one night, say, go and go call him.
This is your 16-year-old cousin?
Yeah, she tell me, say, for go call
I tell
the
you,
boy.
the 12-year-old, for go call our 14-year-old cousin.
Brother,
14-year-old half brother, yeah.
Yeah. So me say, Chum man, she said, go and go call him. So me say, yo, my girl call him. So when me go back in the room with them, me lay down on the bed,
Uh-huh.
And me say him put on a whipping pan her, Hear her, all right, don't know. Hear her, hear him. Done what? No, you send come call me. And him just fix our business. Yeah.
Hold on. So your 16-year-old cousin, female cousin, send you the 12-year-old for call our 14-year-old half brother. And the half brother come on and the two of them go on and well, I stop there. People, skibbo or whatever, don't tell me when to cut off nobody. Don't nobody come over here, come run the show. You don't like something, leave.
But
if
if
you're uncomfortable with things and whatever, which is going to happen on this show, leave. Don't spend the whole time in the chat. I tell people how to run the show because it's not about you. All right, go on. So again, and this was our half brother.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And you are 12-year-old. I say all of that.
All of that every time.
Whoa.
It look like it's something where them used to. Me never lived there, I just come on weekends.
Right.
Come stay with them. And me wasn't them blood. Me was just a picnic with them called cousin because the two parents grew together.
Oh, so them call your cousin, but it wasn't really cousin. Yeah.
Me are not them blood cousin.
Yeah.
And them have another bigger cousin would tell me, say, the only reason why me get where I become the two marker.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm. Come on, assault at Jamaica.
Well, unfortunately, yeah,
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah. So you think that did have any kind of lasting impact on you, that you witnessed these type of thing, that you were surrounded by that?
Not really. I was more afraid than anything else.
Okay.
And kept myself until I was able to immigrate to Canada
Right.
and start my life from there.
Right. Well, it's just
I
unfortunate
feel
that
like I get way,
you
to be
get
honest.
no, which is thankfully, because clearly it was them might think for them mind them had fun, but at 12 years old and for them I say because I did Marga make you get what mean that them don't be busy about your age and whatever is just and even when that one they did that do anything for say if him say yeah sleep and did that play with your nipples and all them something that no parent want them 12-year-old to get that any 12-year-old in a position like that, so that's not
to
a
my
good
mother
thing.
did there for it,
To
I'm
mother.
have to go over there every weekend.
Right, interesting.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for
But
sharing that.
anyway,
Yeah, man,
Raga,
cool. Yeah,
nice
man.
show.
Bless
Take
up
care of
yourself, man.
yourself.
Yeah, man.
Bless
Cool,
up.
cool. Right, that's unfortunate that at 12 years old she was exposed to that. Not only that, 14-year-old boy doing that with his sister. Not good. Not good. Anyway, greetings.
Greetings, Raga.
Yeah, what's up?
You hear me well?
Yeah, man, I hear you're a good man.
So I have a story.
Yeah.
So I have a beautiful father, right?
Yeah.
And at the time, we only did have one kid for you.
Yeah.
Anyways, we did end up break up and cut out a lot of long part there. We end up, because I come from Kingston, so we end up move our country to go work.
Yeah.
So during the time we move our country to go work, when money did left, but it still live close by him, so he used to see me and them thing there, right?
Yeah.
So when I move our country now, so I'm outside saying, nah, see me?
Nah, see you, yeah.
So by this time, having woman in and him live with him woman.
Yeah.
So anyways, when I country, but when they leave my son with his mother,
Yeah.
as him be still young at the time.
Right.
So their country, I end up miss my son now, so I say, I come back and come look for him.
Yeah.
So the day I come look for the son now. Anyways, spend the day with my son at the end of the night. Me and the baby father end up link up and we do the do.
Right. A baby father, yeah,
Anyways, we never go back a country now the next day. And so I reach down now, him start text me. So after he text me now, we are talking about the do we're going. So after that now, so like if woman who him live with, him sister call female for talk to her. And so like him never delete the message them, right?
Oh boy.
His sister call for talk to her now.
Yeah.
We give her the phone and she did the attack. So nothing more than the conversation done. And she's go start search the phone.
Yeah.
And go find the message them.
Yeah.
And then, cause at the time, he must have did sleep when all of that gone.
Yeah.
So when he wake up now, he notice she wants to cook. And she eat off everything that she cook and I left nothing for you.
Not a good sign, no.
Because he live close to his mother, right? So I mother things them huge. So when he wake up now, I realize nothing that they but to cook. So I said to her, I said, well, feed one day. At this time, his mother dead. So like his mother said to him, if you know what good for you, go on and leave the girl. And like she did you talk bare things with the mother. So him have an anger issue, right? So like he must say to his mother, say, what do you mean by that? And she say, the girl should text him on the phone and blah blah blah. So anyway, him and I must fight. And the mother convinced her to move and go on back her yard. Anyway, she ended up moving and go back her yard. Long story short. Things end up not work out with me at country. I'm come back at town and me and him end up there back.
Wait, you and him end up there back?
Yes.
No, but you mean just there back, so then him not there with the girl, them
No, after she see the message and everything and then fine, she move out.
Oh, she move out and then left. Oh, okay, all right then, cool.
So come back now, I told me and him end up there back.
Yeah.
So we there and we live together, because we're moving back together now. So about, we don't say a week and a half after we get back, I noticed she start come back at the yard. So she now come back like to him, you know, she come like she come look for the mother. Cause she and the mother did have a band.
Mm-hmm.
So she come now and she make it a regular habit of me. She come and look for the mother just because she wants to see him. Anyways, one night, she come one day and she did it till hours and night. And like me dead down in the house and like me don't know where in there. So like me receive a message from my phone. So I'm look on the message now. I read the message. He might text me because he did get locked up and did jail at one point for something.
Mm-hmm.
And she must have did go visit him and things in the sense.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, they get bail and the case never done, so he still got court.
Mm-hmm.
So the message him text me now say the girl say she want to sleep with him tonight and anyhow she not sleep with him. When she got court back again, she got start be things to make him get locked up and whatever. So me know I said to myself, me know might not know nothing about courthouse and all them things, but me not dance.
Mm-hmm.
So me I say, where him a got court for have nothing to do with she. So me not see no way she can say nothing for cause him for go to jail or whatever.
That
So
makes
me don't
sense.
know more than I go to his mother because he's a family yard.
Mm-hmm.
So I go for his mother house. And I ask him mother asleep. I'm wake her up with her sleep and ask her about it. And she said no. So I said, oh, no more than him want to sleep with the girl.
Yeah.
Anyways, I text him now, I call him and he come at the house. And I say, what you mean by the girl I go lock you up if you're not sleep with her because she doesn't want to know for friend? She not have nothing to do with the case. I'm not idiot, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not force to walk one.
Mm-hmm.
And he might try to go around my head and I tell him, I say, I'm not idiot. So anyways, while I'm too way down in the night, the girl still there because she want to sleep with him. And nothing more than him did just want her heads. Because me not the type of girl would do it. And she used to keep
Hold
asking.
on. So you not do headers?
No.
Hold on. Or you just never do headers them time?
No, me never do them something with the ragas.
You never get headers yet at all?
No raga.
Mine I tell lie by your mouth, you know.
No, raga. Me not like them things.
You not get headers. So you never give.
And me not make man give me nothing either.
And you know want no man to give you no
No.
swipe either or whatever.
No.
So you just not do nothing oral them way.
Oral.
Okay, alright. So you never do that, but when him did there with she, you know, she always give him headers.
Yeah, so he must miss it and want.
He must have missed the headers.
That him want, I know want come to me straight.
Yeah.
So him send me that message.
Yeah.
So I said things like that you did know, we never just ask.
What you mean?
You know?
What you mean?
No, meaning if that him want can be the making go, you know, give him the go ahead forget it.
You know,
I mean, when I do it.
Cause you know you not do it. So you say him should I just ask and say, I can't go to my ex, I can't go to my ex to get a head as Samara. You say you that cool with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I that cool with it on the basis that you don't feel no threat say him a go left you and you just know say him a go get the headers and that's it, him a go come back.
That's it. Yeah.
Damn.
Anyway, she end up never getting nothing, so she go away. And then she times on this start I come at the yard every minute, same way, just to make him see him until at one point it just disgust him and he just never like him. So he run her and then I eat that and me and him there till now still.
Brap. Well, I know one of them now, though.
Yeah. 12 years and counting.
So I don't know you know bossy me.
No.
So I can put in a little appeal for you.
No,
No, after 12 years and thing on a bit through the fire, through the limit, through the wall. Well, I wanna go through it, you know, man. Wanna married?
Not yet.
When I call it so, wanna married right now, you know, whatever, you know. Yeah. Are you good man that now, you know? Are you good woola man that now, you know? Tell the boss, I put in an appeal, you know, I put in a plea for him. But simple and look at one thing, man. At least, like, you know, one night just surprise him and choops it. Well, you nigga, give a look at choops.
I don't know.
Eh?
I don't know.
Nah, Mike, but you see that me no know and whatever. 12 years, you and him been through ups and downs and all them thing there and whatever. Me think say if him catch you on the right speed and patient with you, him can just help you for, boss him and thing, Cause you love him, You love him, don't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man. I trouble you still, but if it can't happen and thing. Tell the boss I put in a word for him, yeah? All right, man. Respect here. Cool.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Hi, Raga.
Wagwan.
Me again.
Eh?
Me again.
Are you again?
Mm-hmm. I did call you about my son and the girl. Text my phone.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wagwan.
Yeah, but a different mix-up this.
Yeah, man. I could hear it.
Mm-hmm. So, I have a friend. This thing happened about 95.
Yeah.
So, I was living in Infidelity Avenue. So I have a friend. She do a little hairdressing on her veranda.
Yeah.
So I went there one Saturday to get my hair perm. Before I finished, do you remember Jeffrey ear cream?
I know that name there, yeah.
Jeffrey's ear cream. Everybody in the chat must know Jeffrey's ear cream.
Jeffrey's hair cream.
Yes.
Oh, I don't really know them something, but people who do them thing, them are gonna know about it, yeah.
All right.
See, some people that say yes, them know. Yeah.
All right. You ever see a woman when she pregnant and like she in labor, she walk like she a priest, like she a push down the place?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, like she, I go and walk, so.
Right.
Yeah.
So, go to her house and my hair and she used the Jeffrey ear cream in my ear. Mr. Raga, and something burning, I was acid,
Burn you, yeah.
And she did my ear and she washed out my ear and she put the cream on top of her shelf. And I was under the dryer. So she have a boyfriend that was dating. So that particular Saturday, her mother.
Well, you know the part earpiece or Bluetooth or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
Let me hold the phone close.
Yeah, true. It had
So,
something
it all right now?
No, man, go and talk, yeah.
Yeah, so our mother went to the market.
Yeah.
So it looked like when nobody's not there, the boyfriend come and visit. So that Saturday long, he show up. So I was under the dryer, getting my ear, drying my ear. So she and him was in the bedroom. So under the dryer, I said, you have about half an hour. You would come out and pick up the Jeffrey ear cream and go in the room.
Well, so you under the dryer, I dry your ear, and she and him gone in her bedroom, right?
Yes.
She and him gone in her bedroom, gone do so. But while them are do so, you see him come out and take up the Jeffrey's.
He come out of the veranda where me under the dryer and take up the Jeffrey ear cream.
And take up the Jeffrey's ear cream, Lord.
Yes, he never have on him pants. This time he have on a shorts.
I'm on a short.
And he come and he take up the stretch and take up the Jeffrey ear cream and went back in the room.
Yeah.
And Raga, about a second after, me and go here, woo, 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 woo.
Yeah.
When me look Raga, and him that me see one of the situation.
What him that you see a wall up him situation, I won't know what him situation. How you call it him situation? No. So he run come up on the veranda, roll up him situation, no.
The girl send him for the ear aisle.
The ear aisle, she send him for and him go pick up the Jeffrey's ear cream.
Pick up the Jeffrey ear cream.
Poopa Jesus.
Go the bathroom, go rub it on the situation because it look like he couldn't enter.
Right. Right.
And it said, Raga, she come out there and she said to me, said me come follow her, go down Publix with him.
Public hospital, no.
I down there we end up with him. Raga, the situation melt off.
Him situation melt off. What you mean? It just the
Melt
bun
with
off it.
Jeffrey. Burn it up.
Bun off his skin and Jesus.
Burn off, melt it off, Raga. And me say, when me alone know about it, so me alone have to follow her to go look for him. So the first day, a long time, but me have to laugh. Raga, the first day, we don't go look for him.
Yeah.
The man situation hang up in a sling.
Him situation they didn't want sling.
Yes, hang up.
Yeah, because they can't make it lay down, man, because it burn up. It burn up. So it have to, you know.
Yeah. And you know, say two of them married and still live together because you say no one know what that woman see that.
Oh God.
Burn off. You say my man will come out like a one pregnant woman and the pan.
No, because I mean think about it, you know. Probably the only area them were more soft and this a woman one. But man thing, you know, this so you know is you know it really sensitive too, you know, and thing to them type of something there, you know. For so if you go see him put Jeffrey's hair cream on it, and I see some people are post and I say, yo, that cream that did that, you know, it burn your head
Yeah,
and
see
that.
somebody asked if he still work. Yes, darling, he have 2 kids with her.
Him have 2 kids with her.
Yes,
And him say him nah left her because him no want nobody see that.
No, nobody see that.
You know what it is then. Him have an ugly situation. He has a very ugly body right now because it burn up on all these things and whatever. And according to women, some of them body never look too wonderful at first. So and things so you can imagine now look after a chamba and get burn up this and thing. Lord Jesus, oh God. Me no wish that pan no man. sorry, me I laugh like you or whatever. But no,
a long time something. So
yeah, a long time something. But man, I tell you like, no sir. Muda rather, no sir. Muda, let me tell you something. Well, one thing we man not like is if somebody, Eddie Murphy said the way they're so sensitive for we, like the scrotum sack, what people call balls on them. Eddie Murphy said if you just graze it burn way. Which is true. Would I rather somebody kick me down there, so, you know, than figure get bun up with no Jeffrey's hair cream, you know. Would I take 10 kick and ball out there, so you know, understand or whatever, than figure get bun up with hair cream pan this, man. Jano, oh God. So you say when you go down there, them have it in a sling down.
If they tie it up in a one something, I got no one sling.
Oh, so you say because I true you they depend on the veranda dry your hair and thing. I just you know about it, so I just you go down there with her and thing, nobody else know. Yeah, cause him probably shame and embarrassed too and thing and whatever. Oh God. Why you always come with some good one, man? All right. Big up yourself here, blessings here.
All right, cool.
Yeah. Yep. Generally, it's not a good idea to put hair cream. Greetings.
Yo.
Yeah, what go on, Glenn, right?
Yes, sir, Raga.
There, no, yeah, say.
I'm there, man. There.
Seeing?
You know, for women, I try to get in touch with you.
Seeing?
So, you know, when we were down for a long time,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
the famous band from Jamaica, I not call it.
The famous what?
Famous band in Jamaica, you know from Jamaica.
Yeah, man, them don't know who me I talk to, man. But you can't call the name Fab Five, I know nothing. Yeah.
One time, a girl out.
Hold on. You know, so when I hear you're good, dog.
You know, hear me good.
No,
All right. Hold that sound.
Eh?
Hold that. Any better?
Way better. How you do?
Me turn on the volume on the phone.
You turn up.
Me turn on the volume on the phone so you can hear me better.
No, but you see, you just teach you something which makes sense.
Yeah. You're a musician.
No, you're a musician. You understand them something. You understand audio routing signal and thing and whatever.
Yeah, man.
But you know how much people call and me I say, oh, some people sound clear and then some people not sound. But what you say make sense. Why me never think about that and me know look about them something they too.
Yeah, man.
Because my one did when name the two and I have to pull down my volume from my mixer, you know, and things. So why me never think say
Yeah, man.
the
Once
same thing.
the lower your volume is, the clear will come out to you on your end.
Oh, that go? Oh, that go?
The lower, the caller volume, the caller like me.
Yeah.
The lower our volume is a better going sound on your end.
Jeez, peace. I wonder if you know much headache you save right this or that. I wonder if you know much time people are calling, you can ask them and me and say, yo, oh, some people calling and then them things sound so clear.
Yeah, cause no.
Yeah.
Them turn up their volume because them want to hear you.
Oh,
So you can't focus on listening to and hearing you. You have to focus on what is coming out of your phone. Right? So if them turn up them volume to hear you, then you not going to get them well.
Because, and you are going to understand this, but people just give me a second. You are going to understand it because because you know, mix minus, when you deal with call, you put it on a channel and you put on a mix minus pan in.
Yeah.
Right? And that's supposed to eliminate the looping and things. So I put the mix minus pan it and thing and whatever. Come and know them say, you know, me I do that part there for a long time and whatever. I couldn't figure out why. You don't even understand as in as simple as you say, or you see every a while ago, man. Because when them come on now, I'm gonna just tell them to turn down the volume on your phone a little bit.
Yeah,
and
man.
them can't turn it down too low either, you know?
Yeah, man.
But I'm have to find a sweet spot there, correct?
For real, man.
Yeah. Come here, you're good now. A while ago, you echo like boom, 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 wanna loop and I come on and things. See it then, man.
So if I tell me say, yeah, yeah, exactly what
You see it. So when you start the production now.
What do you mean?
No, me know. Remember say you're a guitarist, you know, and thing. But when I say you're straight producer now.
No, me do thing, you know.
Oh.
I'm a real estate now too.
Oh, all right. Then we have a good reason, man. Anyway, talk when you did that talk, yeah.
Yeah. So one time I meet a girl out of Maritime Institute.
Yeah.
You know, we play out there. Meet this nice girl.
Yeah.
Me and her talk. Anyway, she try to get me to my yard and I tell her, yo, baby, I go woman yard.
You tell her you go woman yard. Brap. Yeah.
And she pressure me to come my yard and chew me now come my yard. She don't want to man. Right?
Yeah.
Anyway, me wanted it, but look, to me, she wanted it more.
Yeah.
So anyway, finally, me go up Silver Slipper Plaza in Canton Spring one day.
Yeah.
Go high-low. Come out of high-low and she got running now. Right?
Yeah.
And I saw that talk and she said to me, I'm going to the car with her, a fair car.
Yeah.
I was sitting in there talking and she said to me, if me can't come out with her right now. I said, no, me can't come out with her. I tell her to me not come out with her. Yeah. She finally convinced me to come out yard. But yeah, she wanted I'm going out car drunk.
Well on. You finally say you're going to go her yard, but she want you for going her car trunk?
Yeah. So she can't carry me to her yard.
What?
Right?
And what you do?
What
you do?
He said, nah, man, can't do that, man.
Oh.
Man. Anyway, you just say, you know, let me just play David advocate and go in our car. So I'm going to the car trunk, but I'm not lock the trunk. I'm going to the car trunk and the car, I go for them time she live up on Orange Grove. You know, when I go past Stony Hill, so.
Yeah, man. Very nice houses up there, yeah.
Some nice houses up there. Anyway, when I go there.
So what, you going at the car trunk?
Going at the car trunk, brother.
You know, someone want to cuss a bad word. All right, go on talk. Go on talk.
Going at the car trunk, brother. I'm reaching the yard. The girl reverse up in the yard. Anyway, but before she go up in the, she was reach the yard to call me. And them said, must have seen at the car trunk. She told me when to come out. And I said, oh shit, where did I get my Right? Anyway, she go in the yard, in the house, and me when somebody say, and you come in here, you start with the war with me, you know? That her man, and I said, I did do madam man. Anyway, me hear man and I go back and forth and, you know, anyway, two me see him come out and him jump in that car because his car was parked at the gate.
Uh-huh.
No, me never see, me no know all of this until me come out of the car. You get me? Anyway.
Well on, they not say I walk on. Well on. She start the war with him, forget pan him nurse, him left, you know.
Well on.
John was a sample. Yo, go on, yeah.
Yo, so anyway. So him come out, but then in the car, in the trunk about 15-20 minutes before him leave.
Yeah.
And him jump in the car and him go away.
Yeah.
After him go away. But then I probably another probably 5 minutes. Then she come call me and tell me to come out. Then I come out and she was at the door. So I'm going at the door. So I'm going at the door, brother.
Yeah.
I see some pictures with a man in the rat patrol.
Rat patrol. What?
Yeah.
Well, police or soldier?
Eh?
Police. Blue
scene. I'm police. But me see me a rat patrol or M16 and some JDF soldier around and whole heap of police. And I say, well on, you man a police?
Oh, well on. For those of you who don't know, back in the day, you did have, throughout the years, you did have different terms for the badman police them would do road. You did have acid, you did have all kind of name. But one of them was Rat Patrol. But Rat Patrol now was made up of soldiers and police. But say soldiers, they are the soldier them can't do police work. They're not constitutionally allowed to do police work. So when you do Rat Patrol, you used to have a minimum of 3 soldiers with at least 1 police. And but the police is usually the police who then put with the soldier them and on a PR police, Yeah, man. You have to can be road man and can roll with the soldier them because the soldier them are the real bad boy them, So you have to have 1 bad boy police with the soldier them. So that's what that we used to call Rat Patrol. Yeah. Go on time.
So I'm going to say the man, I'm going to say, who this? She said her husband. The husband of police. Right? I talk about something. And then you have an next photo with him with some whole heap of police,
Yeah.
Yo, me need them get weak, Raga.
Yeah.
Anyway,
well, turn on your volume just a little bit more.
All right.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah, just a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So, the man didn't know. My sister I said, she want me going in the bedroom. I said, yo, I'm not going in no bedroom. I said, right, so.
Yeah.
So, the kitchen there, the kitchen window is face the gate.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Anyway, man, I start doing thing now.
Well, I say you do your thing in the kitchen?
Yeah, man, come here, I watch your window.
You mean you have to watch your window and watch your door. And tell me, say you never take off your pants, don't you?
No, Raga.
Okay. You make it drop right to your ankle and the right.
No, skill and that.
You're the bad. You know what you do. You know what you do. You know what you do. Don't take off your pants. You drop right to your ankle and thing. And so if you bend over, you deal with what you deal with. Because any little thing, you drop back that quick and you cut.
Yo, Raga.
Yeah.
I'm dead now. I do my thing.
Well on. So I'm sorry, I'm a little bit disgusting. You know that, right? Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know that Raga is a little disgusting. I own it and think. Oh, she did position. She did a whole kitchen counter.
Yes, man.
Well, she did in front of what she did a whole the edge or the sink. What she did. You have to give her the image, man.
Raga, to bend over the sink like, I have my head down in the sink like,
Yeah, head down in the sink. Next thing you could have do a wash her here when you send it up.
No.
Yeah.
Now put it on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it on, Raga. When me look at the man that I come back, Raga. I'm gonna say, yo, so your husband come on me dip nose on me. I jump my pants the same time,
Yeah.
The other side gate, we go on to the side. And Raga make like the man suspect. And the man look like him might take him time, I pull the window, pull the gate so it don't make no sound.
Yeah.
So me I go around now to the
but
side.
you don't position for what you look through the window and say, Bamba, you're the boss. You're the boss. Yeah.
So the man I take time pull the gate, so she panic now on me. But me did already map out the place and see a side door that go around to the side. So anyway, me go to that side door there while I come through the front door.
Yeah.
And me run to the gate. Tell me I can go to the, but when me look to the gate, when me look down, I said, oh no man, that's a long run to go down.
Yeah.
So me go back to the car trunk. And me and him I say, when there? And check. Brother, the man has asked her when there, I mean, start beat her in there.
Him start beat her in the car, I say, man in there. I pick up, say she a draw a card for man come
when
there.
And Raga,
for him leave.
the man, he like him run, come out the door. And he, you know, like him run up in the gate. And you know, the gate make a sound.
Yeah.
And me gone back in the car trunk, you know. Right, see? And
him run up to the gate now for see if you gone through the gate,
Yeah.
you know. Because then you know, say my pop off a machine and run it down on the road.
Raga, the man have him gun in that man the whole time. See, me hear like the car door open. That the door with car with me in. See? But at this point now, me lock the car trunk with me tonight. So in other words, me know what when me that go
The
me
trunk,
never lock the trunk.
you never lock the
This time
trunk.
now, me
But
lock
this
the
time
trunk.
lock the trunk.
You come, me no want if him go open the door and him go see the car trunk like on in
Yeah.
you know?
Yeah. Why you brave, you know? But go on, yeah.
So, me hear when him open the door and him slam back the door. And him say, and him go back in the time and say, when there? Raga the man that kill you man with beat in the
And hold on. She hold it door and said, what you talk about? After me no know what you talk about. She hold it door. All night beat me, she hold it.
And Raga, the man leave. After the man leave, probably but me didn't have another half an hour. Them time me are suffocating and no man.
Yeah.
And me a car and tell her, say, yo, come let me out.
Yeah.
You know? Anyway, she must wait a little bit. And I say, me are suffocating a man. And say, anyway, she open the door and the trunk and me kind of get some fresh air and thing. And she said, wait, I can probably along the road. You know?
Yeah.
Did a little bit for a while, and then she come in the car and drop me back to my cancel thing, Sipper Plaza. And me jump in my car, because my car park up down there.
Yeah.
I would have hit the road again.
No, you're brave doing, you know.
Yeah, Raga, I'm tell you so. And the most stupid thing I ever do in my life, you know.
I agree. I agree.
I will story me have in a Raga.
No, but yeah, what me I say no. Me no, well, you know, in retrospect, you know, them say hindsight is, you know, 20/20 vision in hindsight, because sometimes we can't talk so I not act like so we never do some. Because when I look back and me do a whole heap of things when me, you know, when you look back on some things where you do and you say, me can't believe me used to do them something. They like, me did the idiot. Like, such and such could have did happen to me. Look, me can't believe me go over there. So me can't believe me this and that. So, but me I tell you, so right now in my life, you know, right? Say me like a woman, right? Seeing, I mean, I drive here quietly or neatly or whatever. You see, the minute that woman go tell me, say, all right, go in a car trunk. Me don't want her again, you know. Me don't want her front, you know. Because in my mind, you must be rotting, man. A big man like me, you know, you got to tell me about going in a car.
But Raga, them time I'm young, you know.
Then that me I say,
that about 1997, you know.
Yeah, no, me understand. Because we all do crazy things when we did young and whatever. So we can't sit in our age group now and say, we don't never do that and whatever. Because well, I would do crazy things when we did young. But me I tell you, boy, you're brave, though.
Yo, me I tell you, Raga, me can't get another one.
Yes, man.
All right. One time, the festival show them used to go around the country.
Yeah.
So this particular one, them have this one up in a Chapperton.
Wait, the Wallande. 2,100 and other on over here. No for no now follow me. Follow me now, no place. All who now follow me now, right? Me need to get to more than 100,000 for TikTok thing. So make we at least past 94,000 tonight. So all who are watching now, follow me right now. Follow Ragashanti right now. Follow me right now. Just, you know, if you don't know how to do it, if you don't see it by your phone or your tablet or thing, just tap me, just box me in my head by your phone. Just tap me and you will see it come up and thing and whatever. All right? All who now follow me and you watch right now. Follow me right now. All who now follow me right now. All right, go and talk now.
Yeah, man. So one of the festivals show them up in a Chapperton.
Yeah.
So this particular show now, we get there early in the day.
Mm-hmm.
Have sound check and thing. But you know, Fab Five, Fab Five man, man.
Yeah.
So we meet this girl earlier on in the day.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And them have sound check rehearsal.
Yeah.
We meet this girl earlier on in the day and man are you know, chill out and you know, talk. Sit down at the night now when I show time now. You know, she come on and she come check me again and me and her going at the bush. Not far from me, talk about because where the bandstand set, you know, right behind the bandstand a bush.
Yeah.
And the girl going at the bush, man, and I do we thing.
Yeah.
Raga. And all of a sudden, yeah, door move. And a piece of cold piece of iron right between my balls and my crack.
Well on. You said a cold piece of iron between your balls and your crack. That's
Yeah,
also your balls and your
right between my balls and my crack, that's all.
Yeah.
Man, push a gun right up in the man.
Jesus God, and that's the dog putting gun in my wicked. No, him can't put a gun right this. No gun no for God this at all, yo. Jano.
Right after everything, I swear to the girl set it up. But she not for doing nothing, Virgin. No, the man I watch it the whole time.
Who him?
We don't know him. She don't know who, me don't know who.
So what him did? What come out after him said no?
Nothing. We just get robbed.
Oh, him robbed no? Him robbed no?
Yeah.
What him do? Him take on the money and things and whatever. And
no, not our money, my money. She come from up there.
What?
She come from up there.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
So it look like him a watch we from earlier on. You get me? So I'm swing me going at the bush. And when me I do, you know, doggy style, and the man just come and just.
Well, cause she bend over too.
Yeah. I mean, the behind her, so my pants down on my foot.
Your pants are your foot again, you know?
Yeah. See, I'm young, the man just stuck the gun right up between my balls, this one, and my crack now.
So why am I for go out time where for put the gun? Cause if you stand up and shabba, he must come right. Well, you know why him do that though? You know why him do that?
Why? Tell me.
For the average man, you know. You see, if him stand up behind you and whatever, you may try something, you know, and thing or whatever. If the gun there, but you know, man, you know, you may do a little thing quick or whatever and this and that. You and me know 99% of man there, so from you put a gun right there, so that humble you right away, you know.
Yes, man.
That humble you right away, you know. It's like anything you want, take it.
Yeah, man.
Do not shoot the jewels.
Man,
yes, man, take it. Anything you want. The only thing you know do this is that this him go tell you, say, bend over further. And then, cause, you know, you have to kill me because you know, send nothing up in me. You understand? You know, you go tell me, but from a man, have a gun this upon your balls, or upon your penis and whatever. And said, don't move your money. See, they take it, gone. We not play no era right there, sir. Right? We not play no era right there, sir. Tell me something.
Real,
if you're in a position and somebody say, all right, is either we shoot off your body or we blind you. Which one you have to pick one?
I'm for blind me, you know, man.
What?
I'm for blind me. You not see about it.
Will you say them that thing, boy?
No, nothing that I give no second thought, man. You can pluck out the eye them, man.
You serious?
Yes, man.
When you say, your body more valuable than your eyesight?
Yes, man. Yeah, man, I'm a last name that.
John, all right, if you're 70, say you're 70-year-old, and them say, you know, your body or your eyesight, what you that pick? What you that say?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, what?
Yeah, my boy, I'm eyesight.
Even if you're 70-year-old?
Me not care.
If you're 70-year-old, you're rather blind than to be bodiless?
My brother blind.
I don't know, you know. Before, I see what you say, but you see that if me past 70 and gone up and whatever.
No.
What?
No.
What you mean?
I want my body.
You well, me hear what you say, you know. But hear the meds. What me say is, when you reach them age, already been there, done that, you know, and at that age too, sometimes, you know, the body don't know 100 at them age, the two and all them something there and things. So You know, things say that better if you can't see for the rest of your life than figure
Why,
start
Raga?
out.
I try to take care of myself, you know.
Oh, so you say at 70 you still a go
My
work.
sources still got it, yeah?
All right, then 80.
80?
Yeah.
Me still want it, but I keep it higher.
You still a keep your body.
Yes, man.
So you rather go on your grave with your body
More
than
than my grave.
you rather go on your
As a matter
grave
of
with your
fact-
body
as a matter of
without
fact-
eyes
matter-
rather than for go on grave with your eyes without your body. And that you say.
Listen to this. Me tell my wife to put die by puss. Excuse me.
Oh, right. Yeah.
On my grave, on my tombstone. You know? Right, killed by.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, you see, I me at 80. Yeah,
No,
me I
sir.
keep my eyesight.
No, sir.
Me
can't
at
take
80, me I keep my eyesight. Me I keep my
No,
eyesight.
sir. Me want it.
But for men, you know, this thing about the body, you know, is that it's like for a lot of men, it's like they're not men. They're no longer men if that not dead. No matter what else dead. For a lot of men, you know, it's like that is the definition of their masculinity. You understand? So, I don't know.
My grandfather died at 79.
Yeah.
And I have an auntie who died, we born right around with him
Yeah.
when he died. You get me? So that tell us, say, I'm 78
What?
when I pull out the trigger there.
Oh. Well, on. You have a grandfather died at what age?
My
what?
grandfather died at 79.
79, yeah, right?
I have an auntie who was born right around the time he died.
You mean theme
Yeah.
picnic?
Yeah.
So your grandfather did a fire, man.
I tell you.
Pops did that. Nah, Pops at it.
Yeah, man, 17 people.
Damn.
And my grandmother had 33 siblings.
You serious?
Yes, man.
Yo.
Talk to Copeland Farm. You know Copeland Farms?
Yeah, man, that Copeland farm, no icon and everything.
Copeland Farms, I'm
Man.
a cousin too, you know.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Yeah.
John.
Copeland father and my grandmother. A sibling.
Oh,
And
okay.
33 of them.
Okay.
Reunion. We have a cousin in the Bronx.
Yeah.
And a little get together. I should have called her one day and say, yo, me have a little get together tomorrow, you know.
Yeah.
When we turn up, I hate 29 we turn up, you know.
Jesus, a big family thing.
Yeah, man. Family massive. Man.
No, with all due respect, though, the whole owner sound like the whole owner is one horny set of people, man. Oh, no, man. Well, I want to say white liver, don't. All right, Glenn, you give it two good one an idea. Big up yourself, you know,
Yeah,
my
big up yourself,
general.
Raga.
Yeah, man.
I send a message on your link, you know. With my number, you know. I don't know if you can see it.
No, I'm going to check back, man. I'll just send me it back here.
All right, cool.
Hold on. When last you chat to Frankie and them, what go on? Them good?
Yeah, I'm good. Because you know, so Sydney pass away.
For real?
The keyboard player, the blind keyboard player.
Yeah.
Yeah, me just go him funeral week before last.
Oh, no. Condolences to the relatives.
I'm buried week before last Wednesday, so I'm going to go down for the funeral and come back.
Yeah, people, them man, are stalwart with Fab 5 and, you know, Unique Vision band. Him is not one of the Unique Vision, but him, you know, Fab 5 and thing. Big up yourself, you know, Glenn. All right?
Respect, man.
Yeah, man, cool. Yeah, man, cool. Greetings, hello.
Hey, Raga, good night.
Good night.
All right, so here a little something.
Yeah.
Back when I was a younger girl, like in my late teenagers, 18.
Yeah.
But I have one little friend named Shireen.
Yeah.
So she used to date this married man, right? So while she date the man, she before me going to the party, one guy did come from prison, one bad boy.
Yeah.
And he did like me.
Yeah.
So me did come from Cockburn Pen. So if always I see man, I say, well, go on Miss Cockburn Pen.
Yeah.
But through me hear about him and me hear about him reputation, I never like him and him just, I don't know, I just did ignorant when I see him.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Yeah.
him always come around me because which part me live? A Brownstone this where I talk about now, you know, and a Cockburn Pen. But me the original from Cockburn Pen, but me the there Brownstone I stay with some of my family them.
Over St. Ann, right? Over St. Ann, right?
So
Yeah.
it's like him dead and no one. Him just take a piece of set for me, take a piece of set for me.
Mm.
So, you know what me I try to like hold him off, nah, give him the time of day, and every time when him approach me, just cuss him out. But rather them time I don't know say when me I cuss him out, I turn on the man.
Yeah, one of them man, they know, yeah.
So yeah, so every time when me I cuss him and them something, you know what, me think say me I cuss him for put him off. It's like me I draw him closer. It's like it was a magnet.
Yeah.
Anyway, so my friend now when named Cheryl, she had date to a married man. So it's like say she beg me follow her girl and go check the man one afternoon.
Yeah.
So fear man and the man they are friend. So them live way around one part around one place.
Well on, when they say
We
fear,
around
when they say fear man, you mean the married man or a man differently?
The married man where she
The
where
married
she
man, okay, and the man they are friend. Okay, cool.
Yeah. So anyway now follow her around there.
Yeah.
The man will like me now when him come from prison, him cause me tell you say a bad boy when they are prison do 5 years and come out and something. So when him come out like him they sit down on a piece of change or whatever. So that's him open one shop. So every weekend him beer vibes used to there around the shop. So everybody know about the shop kind of secure. Go, them come dance around there and them go on with themselves. And enough niceness, have sound system play around and everything. But this was during the week, so not now go on. So when time we go around the area now, little people come check her and I run a film shop we end up, in which me never bargain for that car. If me didn't know say I over there, so she like end up go.
You no go. See.
Anyway, we're there and the man when she go check her juice off her face and
This is a married man.
smoke a little spliff and I go on with herself.
This is the married man, right?
Eh?
This is the married man.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, because him can't carry her go a film house, so but him living at the area. So him carry her him come check her out at the bar. Now the bar at the man will like the bar.
Right.
So anyway, they that juice off of face, where they that drink or beat with liquor and them something or whatever. So him carry her gone somewhere. I don't know which part him carry her gone. Somewhere. Them gonna mash them works and do them do. Left me around there. Raga, I sit down 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, all type of hour, Mind I do have a dollar in my pocket in a Raga because she pay my fare go around there.
Right.
So, but they know and me I said, Jaja, me I go reach on my yard.
Yeah.
I want to go home. But me still come I say, she have to come out because which part we live, which part we there and which part we are go back. Which part him live is like a dead, not a dead end, but it's gonna take your way back round for come back round to which part we live. So it's like she have to come back, right?
That way there, yeah.
So we go back away. So me I say, all right, you know what? She'll come.
Yeah.
Raga. Hours a night, no girl, man ready to lock up him shot now. So him did have one little car. So me I said to him, say, come drop me out of Orange Hill. The man give me all type of excuse. What wrong with him car for what wrong with him car. Me I said, Jaja. No man, me a girl afraid of frog, me afraid of lizard, me afraid of peony wall, me afraid of everything, Raga. And them place there one of them corner, then I have no street lights. Me I tell about back in the days. You understand? Me I tell about almost 94, me I tell about no street light, no nothing. Pure darkness.
Yeah.
So me I say, no man, this no look good. Oh, me I go reach home. So he tell me now, say, I have one. No, he first he said to me, say, me can't come up and house come stay. I say, you're mad, you're bright. Come up and wish house come stay. You must be mad.
Yeah.
Me I hear that.
Yeah.
Anyway, but they don't know one. He must say, so where you go do car? Me not have no right for carry taxi stop run and you know what? So he must tell me, say, one room, they run at the back of the shop. He must say to me, say, I can't go stay in the room. So me I say, no. He must say, yeah man. I say, no, me alone can't stay. When I say, he must say, we stay with me. I say, no, I'm good. Anyway, Raga, when I realize now, say, I have no option, no choice, no nothing. That time, girl, well, nice and well, man, show me the little room that there's the little dancer, them used to come and stay with them, come dance a weekend time and go back at the yard. Raga, me end up in a little room when I back. He come like, say, a little, me don't know, a man come around there they chat to me and I say, a long time I like you, a long time I like you, and he might go with himself and sitting, but man, a bad man, so me no one say,
Yeah.
a bad man, so me can't, right now, true, it's like, you come, to me, you come like say, me in the lions den, so me now go on with myself like before, like when
Yeah,
buck
you
him
can't
around
do
and
while him up now again and thing. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm more humble.
Yeah.
So, man say, so what go on, what you say? I say, Father God, what is me come back up in here now, Father? I say, no, sir. At the end of the day, it's like me know say, is either I'm going to give him or I'm going to take it.
Right.
In there, then him put in little talk to me and they sitting there. So I just say, what in my mind, I say, boy, I better me give him no car. If me not give him, we just feel like him going to take you regardless.
Right.
And Raga, me and the man end up a do.
Right.
That time, my body a cringe, cause me say me so like me not like him and none at all, Raga. But through the situation when me interacted, when me I say, and me say, Raga, while we at it here, the man no, give me the go-go wine, give me the go-go wine. I said the man give me the go-go wine.
Well on. Me know you get down to it. But you know, I said this was an arrangement between him and your friend, though. Eh? Hello?
Why, Raga, I don't know if it was an arrangement or not, maybe, I'm not sure.
Right.
But no, I never look upon it that way there. I never look upon it that way there. But
no.
You not hear me?
No, you did
You not hear me?
Yeah, no, you did. You move and go somewhere.
You not hear me, Raga?
No, you move and go somewhere with change your sound, Go back where you did there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Go on.
So me I say maybe in a real life, because I never look upon it the way you say, I never really look upon it that way. I never pre it that way, but maybe I true you talk.
Yeah, go on talk.
Yeah, so anyway, Raga, you know what say. Nine months later, at the go-go wine that me bring forth.
What?
Man breed me,
man breed it a night.
Breed me.
No. And then what happened after that?
Hey, man.
No,
breed me.
Yeah, no, man, you do something like that. You did that sound good and straight and plain, but me don't know what you go do. No, you want me to
hear me?
No, man, you do something, man, and it a cause, it a right name the show too, man. You move or do something, man. Yeah, you did, which part of the position?
You don't know, like internet a trick for me. I don't know what going.
Oh, okay, go on talk. Okay, so you said 9 months later, pick me forward.
Yeah, so me I show you say after the 9 months, I the go wine that I bring forth, Raga, the man breed me.
So you and him never do nothing during the 9 months when you're pregnant?
No, Raga, you say me despise the man, eat the man. And when I find out and something, before me even find out, Raga, you see my friend, a man tell my friend, say, your friend, big up. And she come to me and I tell me, say, man, says, I'm a runner. Yeah, me I tell her, and that I was in like the December time. I see come of sunburn September. I remember one night me I walk on the road and the man pull up on my foot in a car and I give my friend money for give me and I tell her tell me for go buy supplement for feed the baby. And I beer clot my cuss and go on with myself around she and him. I say, yo, you see if you want me I stay a friend, come tell me not with a man they say. Raga one night, my there one look up place. Them have one set up and we had drink and sitting. Alone vomiting when I go home. I vomit, I sick like a dog the Friday night. Saturday when time I go at the doctor now, and the doctor said to me, say, when last my period and like if I'm pregnant and them something. I said, no, sir. Because pregnancy was the farthest thing from my mind. Only for find out, say,
It go wine. Go wine I got 30 this year.
The picnic.
Eh?
The youth where you have.
Yes.
But hold on.
30-year-old this year, Raga. September I come.
Then, that is a very good month, by the way. But anyway. No, but what I say is, so you and him never have no dealings after that?
No, Raga. Cause me talk to one little man, me like I did my little peoples. You understand me? So even when the man come to me and I tell them something, me I think me I say I go thing in the pan. But when me calculate everything and sit in my real, I'm not touch that the next man. Me say no, sir. When I find out, I want to drop down.
Yeah, no. Hold on. All who have watched right you know, you know follow me now. All who have watched 2,400 and add on. All who not follow me now. All I want who have watched and not follow me yet, follow me now. The whole I want to follow me now, please. So, hold on. So the picnic now grew and know him?
Yeah, man, my son and him siblings, them right now, I tell you, if nobody dep on the live when know my picnic, man. Him and him siblings, them good.
Oh, okay.
Good. And I tell you, say, I want to show you something, say, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
You see, the friend, because the next day, you know, I have to cuss her, you know, I tell her, say, you see where you make reach me and them something there. So,
hold on. Before you say what you're going to say, don't lose that thought there, you know. My question to you is this. The whole time, after the friend bring you up there and you sit down there, wait the whole time. The friend never call you no time and check and ask you if you're good after she
friend,
did.
Raga, we can't call. Remember, say back in the 94, no phone, no about, you know. Remember, say we did it and I ends out and then she left and gone take Ph.D, you know. But she not come back.
Nah, you see, me feel say that I set up, you know, because if I she bring you up there, right, and she don't know because she a roll with a married man and all them something else, so she know the flex and whatever and thing like that. And though if you did a check-in pan you in a fear mind, she never need for check-in pan you, you're good. Because no, sir, I feel that I set up. I feel that. But anyway, you did have to say something a while ago. What you did have to say a while ago? About the friend.
Yeah, so the hottest part about all of this, Raga. So when I find out some I bring, you know, everything, and you know, as a friend, me I tell the girl, say, yo, you don't know, say, boom, bam. Because me didn't know say another the next boy, because me and the boy now, you see the next youth, me and him now touch like that. You understand?
Yeah.
Like one drop every we ever so often. Because I live with female mother. You know how they little something they go.
Yeah.
One touch every now and then. So now, when this happen and the man go tell my next friend say, yo, tell her say she bust like BG kite and I bring me youth and ray. What bag of something I say what the man I talk about, because I remember I still never find out yet, you know.
Yeah.
So you see when I find out Raga, me I tell her say I'm nearly mad. But when I tell the girl no, the girl that have two pitney already, the girl that tell me say for go dash her the belly. The girl that tell me for go dash her belly the time I'm first pitney, you know, but that never they never crossed my mind. Although I know the situation and I know say, you know, me still, cause I don't like say, although I'm a bad man or whatever, I don't like say, man like, but me just still decide to never carry the picnic. All of you find out, say, you know, say me have my son the 14th of September, and she have baby the 28th of September, Raga.
What? The same month?
Same month, same year. So when she tell me for that, my first baby, she agreed.
She agreed.
Third picnic.
For the
married man.
For the married man. When she tell you for that for your first picnic, she knows that she did a breed for her third picnic, and this one was for the married man.
Me don't know she didn't know yet, but after she must find out, and maybe me find out early, but she tell me say for that shit way, but if she never know yet, why she not got that shit for her third one for the married man?
But I tell you for God that's for your one.
I see my picnic come, him have a good relationship, the whole I'm siblings, him auntie, a foreign, him granny. The father, they know still know them, they end up kill the father. You see what I go to the funeral?
Yeah,
Gaga?
yeah.
May I tell you, say, bus load of people come from town and boats come at the funeral. And one time, me a pass with my baby for go up in the yard, one bus they down the hill. The people them push out the hill and I said, come here, bring little dirt, come. You can't tell me say that they're fitting this. And the people them don't know me from nowhere. Hot to fit.
And as I'm seeing
Hot
them know,
to fit.
yeah, right away.
So even if I say me did one, go give the next one the jacket then.
It wouldn't
couldn't
work.
do it.
It couldn't work. It couldn't
But we
work.
didn't know I never film because I say whenever they are touch like that.
Yeah.
And a long time we never touch. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the two pitting them right now, I got to turn 30 this year.
Ja, no. So hold on, but you did have other youth too?
Eh?
You did have other youth after?
No, my first child.
No, I mean you did your first, but you had other children. You had other children, right?
Yeah, I have other kids now.
Okay, cool. John, there's an interesting story or whatever. I don't know why she had tell us.
And you know, me end up tell my son everything, you know, me tell my son about it. Yeah.
That is good.
Tell my son, say, one touch bring him come here. So when people say one touch can't bring pit, me I lie, them I tell me, me I living testament to that.
See it there. Nah, man, them thing that happen all a while, man. One touch, our last touch. You know, the last time I got do it, you know, whatever, and then lo and behold, breedments and all them thing there. Anyway, big up yourself, you know. Here,
Big up
respect to
yourself,
that one
brother,
there.
yeah,
Yeah, man.
man.
Safety and protection,
Alright.
here. Love and blessings, man. Cool. And people on a ranking self, me I tell you again, when I see me coming out of them white shirt all the while, some nice little, you know, cheap shirt me get off of Amazon. They're like $25 or somewhere about, you know, with taxes like 26, 27. But they're very comfortable, nice little summer shirts. Y'all know I travel a lot, you know, and thing with my travel company. And like when I'm in Ghana and them places there and whatever, you know, these are the best, you know. When I go to Ghana, Kenya, and them places, them shirts are nice, you know. And I'm a drop of Jamaica, you know, I be at them, I mean, some about 10 of the white shirt, them. Some I know, some I not, you know, oh, am I wear the white shirt again? The white shirt again. When I don't bright to myself, I have a whole heap of white shirt. You understand? Most like all of what they, you know, some of my viewers them teach me and say, cause me I wonder, me I watch a white shirt, them and them I come out orange after me I wash them, you know, and them I say, no, Raga, yeah, use a bleach, I never know it, no. Worse, if you put too much bleach, it make your white clothes them get orange. I don't even know that make any sense. And thing, but you know, so my good again, you understand? So anytime you see me and them look, you know, have to iron them. You know, you know. Them are the best. But anyway, me feel our friend set her up, you know. Me don't know. You know, bring your charge, go upon her ends and then you left for the hours and you don't know what me to her. Who does that? Right? I want a person that talk about Blue Bomber soap. Listen to me. I live alone. Okay? And I mean, you know, my son is here spending holidays with me now. But Blue Bomber soap, me know, yeah, for you rub. Me not rub and all them something. I say Jamaican people are do it, you know, when them wash certain clothes, them rub it out with soap first before them put it in the machine. Yeah, me say Jamaican woman I do. Me can't bother with them something there. I'm a typical guy when it comes. You just throw the clothes in there, you put in there, whatever, and you wash it. Well, okay, cool. But me now use the whole heap of bleach again, you know. One of my viewers, Missy Bram said me for use the what the soap name again? Arm and Hammer. I don't want the Arm and Hammer with the right name there and thing. And so I learned this up with them and things. So all I want to not bright up on myself and I say, you know, white shirt again. Because Jamaicans, you know, when it come to clothes and them, some of them Jamaicans, they think they're easy. Ivory soap for wash clothes. Anything go so? Ivory soap, no bathing soap. Buy Oxy on Amazon. Oxy? Oh, I'm going to try that. Hold on, I said do the Oxy. I see it advertised. All right, man. What, the Oxy good for wash white? Trini love me the scene I chatting where you in the request. I look back for you if you bring you up and I see you. What delicious that too. Oxy. Oxy is very good for what? What me do? Just put in. I don't know. This is gonna sound like a silly question. So what me do? Amazon me thing then. So what me do? Just go on Amazon and put in. What name? Oxy. Just Oxy. Well, Oxy Master. Oxy Wash Everything. Oxy Master Ultra. Original Dan soap. Dan for wash plate. Me don't know about Dan and wash no clothes. Me don't know about no Dan and wash clothes. Dan wash clothes. She and Palmolive. Dan and Palmolive are straight plain. Me don't know about them and wash no clothes. Me Dan stay over there so with the plate them. You don't go to supermarket. Me go supermarket, but me shop like a man. The soap me pick up is Tide. Me not in them. Me just go and pick up what me want. Put Oxy and choose your pick. Okay, Oxy Master and thing. All right. Oxy Master. Ariel. No, the Ariel one they're not good. The Ariel one they're not good. It's not even good like Tide. I can't tell you that. Even me know that. Dawn and Palmolive wash white very well. I don't know about that. Tide know as Oxy. Oh, didn't know that. Somebody say Gain is the best. I don't think so. A friend do it to me, but thank God me had my money. Oh, she talk about where a friend do. I'm have Oxy with it. Okay. Trini, what go on?
Hey, Raga, what's up?
What's up? Boy, you can put on your look a nice voice here and tricky people. Eh? Eh? You can put on your look a nice people hear your voice and think, well, she sounds so innocent and naive and whatever.
Hey, TamFam.
Yes, man. Big up the TamFam, yes. Oh, you mean? What go on?
They're trying to keep cool. It's hot over here.
No, man, it at a New York too, man. A murder. And them say it's going worse tomorrow too, you know.
Wait, true.
No, man, but the heat sky up to them, man. And New York, not do well with them thing. Every time you have heat wave where people just walk and drop down there, you know.
See?
Yeah.
Basically, the colder here, winter time and summertime, it's like it hotter, so.
Oh, that go, what?
I say colder here, winter time, so summertime it must be hotter.
Oh, yeah, well, for Canada and thing, you know, you can't keep all that snow and madness on about there and thing. So what go on? Any mix up from Trinidad or from Canada?
Mix up?
Yeah.
I'm looking for local advice.
Yeah, let's hear it.
So my past or my history, I still deal with the children. But the children, his new partner, it's been about 2 years now. The new partner never met the children.
Oh.
So it's still a secret. They come in 10 o'clock at night and leave 5, 6 o'clock in the morning.
Of 2 years now?
Yes.
And he never meet the children, them, yeah?
Never meet the children.
Okay, all right.
And that's the joke, is because the same person who was the friend is now a permanent friend.
The same person who was the friend?
Yes.
What you mean?
Become a permanent friend.
Oh, you mean to the kids it was just a friend?
No.
What you mean?
To him. Remember, she was just a friend.
When I talk, I look a code, I'm slow.
Right. So when we were together, she was just a friend. I removed myself from the situationship, and she became a permanent friend now.
Oh, this is in reference to who?
The father.
The father. Oh, no, I get it. Oh. So, weird. You think that did that go on them time when you were together?
Sorry?
No, okay, go on talk, yeah.
So 2 years later, I still have that relationship with the children, and the children would come visit or we do things together. And it's just a funny situation when other people see me with the children out in the village or in the city,
and they know we're not together, but he's with somebody else. And I'm around out everywhere with the children.
You know, so I'm not gonna lie to you, my last again a little bit, you know?
All right.
Yeah.
So, what it is? Well, I still have a relationship with my ex-children.
With your ex's children?
Yes.
Okay.
But he moved on. I moved on. But because we still see each other, or we still do things, or I still do things for them, it is, a bit uncomfortable sometimes when people would see me with the children. And
so you and your ex not deal again, but you and your ex-children, them still live good?
Yes.
And you do road with them sometime?
Yes.
And when people see you and them a move and thing and whatever, but you and him not together, are you feeling uncomfortable, feeling a little weird about that?
Yes. Because I get to understand she's asking for more and want to know what's going on when we don't talk. It's been probably about a year since I haven't spoken to him.
Who's asking for more?
The new girl.
Yeah, she's asking for more from him.
Yes.
So she knows that you and him kids them still juggle?
Yes.
And she not comfortable with that, right?
I guess not.
What you mean you guess not? You don't know?
Well, I don't know. Well, maybe that's why she would be asking for more.
You and him not talk?
No, we don't talk. No.
What are the ages of the children?
20s and probably like 10, 11.
Well, with respect to the 20s and whatever, I don't know how him govern him thing and whatever, but they're adults, you know. But you do road with the one who is 10, 11 too?
Not road, but visit.
Who visit who?
They will come down to visit.
They'll come down to visit you. Does she know that?
Yes.
Well,
because I babysit one time when they went out.
All right. I'm going to just keep it 100 with you. I remember now you call me, so at the end of the day, I'm going to defend you. But, no, yeah, well, I'm going to defend you. Okay. But when I say we're a reason now, right? So your big brother a reason with you now. So, but if you put yourself in a fear position, 99% of women out there not go comfortable with a man who them there with, and that man picnic, is continuously with him ex. So in general, just women not gonna feel funny about that.
Yeah. But we don't have that communication, and she knows that. I think everybody else would know that in the circle or wherever. We don't talk. There's no communication, no social media, no nothing.
So when you say she want more from him, like in terms of relationship?
Or maybe as terms of maybe family time, or why haven't met your family or meet your kids, or...
Oh, so she not meet femme kids yet, but you are spend time with femme kids, and you are the ex, and she are the straight up woman and thing and whatever. Okay. And the 10, 11 and thing, if that remember say if the 10 or the 11-year-old I come see you, he must give her permission.
No, I don't know. Maybe just a choice. I don't think he can say no or really ask.
What do you mean? Why the father couldn't say no to him 10-year-old if say go if you go visit him ex?
Oh no, well yes, you'd have to probably he'll give permission for that.
Yes, I mean I say if he might get a permission there and she go know that, so he might give permission for him children to go see you, him ex, but him not introduce she to film picnic them and whatever. Yeah, most women are gonna feel away right this way, you know. Them are gonna like wonder, you know. It's one thing if she not, if the, you know, based on the makeup, you know, really, you know, if something did the way, you know, while you're around the kids, then and that's two adults and work it out. But if what she has say is that him a give permission for the picnic them go to you, the ex, but then, you know, him a keep the youth them from around she, that gonna make her wonder, like, even if nothing not dead, you know, the average woman I wonder, like, what really I go on between them, you know, type of thing, you know. But then the question now is, why you maintain, you know, that relationship there with him kids them if him are your ex? I mean, there's nothing wrong with it, but just to ask you why.
I think because I'm like a giver or doer person. If somebody asks me to do something, I do it.
Right.
I just have no feelings into because of someone else. I wouldn't do something for you, or, you know, even if we're not talking, like I would still help or assist.
Right. So basically,
So,
if the kids,
I mean, it's been a few months that, you know, it's been distant. So only if I get a request or a call, but I wouldn't reach out, or I wouldn't, you know, suggest or
so basically,
say, hey, let's do something.
if the kids them reach out to you and whatever, you and the kids them not have nothing. So your thing is you're gonna treat them with respect, you know, and be there for them if them have a request for say support and things like that. But with your situation now, in your relationship now, you know, the person you're with, him cool with you, I say your ex's children, them and thing like that?
If he's cool, he hasn't said anything, but he's seen one of them, and I don't hide it if, you know, I had to be with them or do something.
You tell your people them right now, so no, may I go so and so with my ex's
But that's,
children.
it's been probably like a year and a half now. So.
Yeah, and him no problem with it?
No.
Okay. So, based on what you explained, though, you know, it sounds to me like you're good. You not no problem. If anybody have a problem, him, your ex and fame woman, and them have to go work out for them thing. But it sounds to me like you're okay. Am I correct?
I'm okay.
Okay.
I just wait until everybody is on their own and doing their own thing. So it wouldn't be because of me. So.
No. What I'm saying is, from what you explained to me, you're not doing anything that I'm be like, you know, yo, maybe straight up with you. That's kind of grimy, or that's messed up, or
no, I'm not intrusive.
Insensitive, or
I am not intrusive. I wouldn't.
Yes, I'm gonna hear that from you. But what me I say is no, him now as a man now, him have to govern theme thing now and sort out that thing there with she, and that might mean, I don't see any reason for it, but it might mean for kind of like, you know, just reduce indirect contact with you. For sure, she respect, you know?
Yeah.
Which you should be cool.
I think he did that. I think he did that, and that's where we had drawn the line when we decided to stop talk, to make her feel more comfortable.
To make her feel comfortable. The two of them decide to stop talking.
Because I knew, because being a female, I heard that, like, I felt what she was feeling in the beginning.
Yeah.
Knowing that you're trying to develop this relationship and he still have a communication with your ex, and so I took myself away. My peace of mind.
Well, that's commendable of you that you took yourself away. But what me hear too also is, and I could be wrong, but as I tell you, what me hear too is that in an ideal situation, you and him now do nothing or whatever, but you would prefer to have communication with him.
Honestly,
no.
No, knowing I mean, how it ended and seeing him now from the outside.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because now I see the true colors from the outside.
Right. So, I mean, it sounds like you're okay. I mean, no problem not there with you. No problem not there with you. If
Then
problem
okay.
there with she, them have to
It was
go
one
work
of
that.
those things.
Yeah, you
Right,
have to work
you
it
know,
out
you're
with her.
glad somebody has taken your problems.
Yeah, but you're not a problem and thing. Any decisions that I have to make in terms of any concerns that a particular party, i.e. him woman, might have. That's those are decisions that they have to work out between themselves. And have nothing to do with you. And whatever decision they make and whatever, it can mean that you have to be extricated from the process in some way. And it's neither here nor there with that with you. So you're good. So you know, and then the older kids, they are 20 odd, them free for do what they want to do. And thing, you know, with the 10-year-old, that might, you know, that them have to go work out that. All right.
Yeah.
Them have to go
I
work
mean, we
out
don't
that.
see very often, but
Yeah.
at the same time, everybody get, you know, busier in life. I socializing more and traveling more with my partner, so it's
Yeah, there you go. There you go. So, you know, as long as it's not a situation where you, the ex, are turn up on him house to pick up him 10-year-old when him and him woman over there. And that now would have been like, would I just keep it 100 with you? I mean, I say, nah, you know, say that not look too good still, you know. So if you should avoid that and about that. If you not have to do that, if you're the man in a nothing or whatever, would I just tell you straight up, you know, and say, no, you don't need for good. So you don't need for a turn up or pick up a man 10-year-old picnic when him and him woman over there and you are the ex, you know. But I don't nothing like that. So you're good, you know. All right. All right. And I'm here say you're coming to Ragabash.
You hear so?
I'm here say you come Ragabash.
Okay.
Brap, 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 brap. Yeah, no say a word, man. Respect for the forward and
Put on
thing.
those wings and fly.
Huh?
I'm gonna put on those wings and fly.
There you go, and thing, you know. Oh, T that in the building. You have to come represent for your country in Canada, you know, because you see, you understand, you know, them look a violation that go on with Canada when me never support me. That's why I know for the record, me on Canada side with that. And think, see, no say a word, man. Big up yourself here.
All right, Raga.
Yeah, man. Blessings, man. Cool. All right, delicious. Turn on and coming.
Yeah. Good night, Raga.
Good night, delicious. Why go on, Bobo?
You know, so little once you make me drop asleep. Me there wait, and boy, little most you hear me a draw snore like the miss lady when night.
Yeah. Me post it this morning, you know, and take it down, you know.
Me come with the intention did we tell you one story, you know. I did a one dopey story.
Yeah, tell me no.
But I'm not dopey, you know, and me I did the dopey. We as children did the dopey, but when me hear Glenroy tell you the story about hiding at the car back, I wonder if me tell you the one with splashing, dashing, restless P X, the X, another story there.
You tell me the nicer one.
Eh?
Tell me the nicer one.
Tell you the nicer one. It's one of them nice still. You know?
Tell me the jiggier one. The jiggier one.
Yeah, so the X now. Gonna baker boy.
Yeah.
Mr. P Splasher.
Yeah.
Me and him was at the time, as you know, we dumb and foolish, you know, when we young. We do silly things.
Right.
We do some things where now when we look back in it, we would have never do them something there.
See?
All right. So remember me did tell you saying they have him baby mother. All right. And me follow my friend go visit him. Visit fear friend and end up with him. So we were a night him.
Oh, wait, one second. Glass. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So it's like when me and him a date, we used to go movie a Sunday night time. And it seems like at the time him and him baby mother did have some argument. So she move out.
Mm-hmm.
When me say move out, she might have did just separate and go her mother go spend some time.
Mm-hmm.
So this Sunday night we went to the movie.
Mm-hmm.
So in the movie, in the day, tell me say, you know, say I come down at my yard tonight, you know. And me I said, no, sir. Me have my own home, so why you want me to come down at your yard? And you know, say, you know, you have your missus, you know. So you must say, oh, me and Lenny gone, man. We still never up to it.
Right.
So me making talk me into it. Anyway, reluctantly, me decide say, all right, we are go. Then time they not have car and I know you used to ride one bicycle.
Right.
So me decide say, all right, now he must say to me say, if I go on and him will ride come in at the back.
Right.
By this time, him woman have one sister we used to hang out at our roadside where me have to pass Deso to go for him yard.
Right.
So on my way going down, me notice his sister and her friend them sit down at the roadside.
Right.
So me pass and gone. It look like the sister know what go and know say I don't have me yard, me I go.
Right.
So she run go around a fear yard, go tell the sister say she see me gone down.
Right.
So right as me we reach home and relax. I look for relax now. Me take off my dress and me in my brassiere and me slip and go lay down in a bed. Me hear boom, 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 boom upon the door. But Raga, guess what now? The house stay upon like a one way in and one way out. So
Hold
one door and one window.
This was when he was pregnant?
No man, me never pregnant then.
Oh, okay.
So a one way in and one way out.
Okay, right.
So me go in and make myself comfortable. Me hear boom, 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 boom. You see him, he say, who that? And she make she know, open the door. Him turn fool and spin around in and know what to do. She did out there, boom, 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 boom. Me still not open the door. He still not open the door. When me sit down there, me I say, what me I go do? A one way in and one way out, you know. And the way how the house situated, you know. If you jump through the window, down the gully I go, you know. And me not jump down the gully. So me I say to myself, say, you know, say a one way in and one way out. So me not walk through the window. Me come in through the door and not through the door, me I go.
Right.
And me come in a clothes and me I go out in a clothes.
This wasn't the one with the slippers, right?
Not with slippers.
Yeah, this was the one where you did tell about with the slippers at the door, right?
No man, and me tell you about no slippers,
man.
Well, me tell you about the man where my ex where the duck tree away with the pea.
No, me know about that. All right, then
Yeah.
some people them a chat fat and whatever. So me just
No, this is not one with no slippers.
Yeah.
So me decide say, oh me, my friend did go up the girl. All right, let me tell you one story first. Yeah, so me decide say me not go through the window. Me I go through the door.
Right.
So me say, you know what? Me tired of the boom boom boom. Who open me door, yeah, man?
Yeah.
So that time, Raga, me so bright and bold and bossy, you know. Me lay down on the bed like a film bed with one hand under me arm, me foot drop, so like me pose, you know.
Yeah.
Me not get up and, you know. So she come in.
Yeah.
So him and her hold up then one another hand because apparently she want come over to wear me his and him a try stop her.
But she want come pop your cloth down.
She want come pop me ass
Yes,
and before me get ready for run, me lay down there stretch out. So she come over and say, what you are doing?
Mm-hmm.
Raga, me frightened, you know, but hear me now. You can't ask me what me I do ya. I hear me if you ask what me I do ya. I hear me
Exactly.
invite me ya.
Then that's right. Right.
Me
Right.
so bold, you know.
Yeah.
That time, you know, Raga, if the woman did have any sense, you know, it splash me out like one bed bug, you know.
Yeah.
But me stand up. So me get up and me get ready and me put on my clothes and me turn through the door because me say me not jump down the window.
Uh-huh.
So me left and come way and him, when me look, me see him left and come behind me. So apparently, him left and come behind me too.
But, So but when you left and come out and whatever, him just come, so what she did there?
Him leave already and come with me because him prefer me more, so him follow me go home.
Oh.
He never stay. He take me home, but he never stay.
After him drop you home, him never stay with you?
No, because you know you're a woman in a war, you don't know if them are burn down your house. So you know have to go back go see that's the base, all right.
But why you think say I prefer you make him when him fat when
then
him
why
come out?
never stay with the woman?
Nah, but a man can't just say, nah, man, make sure she reach home safe and then go back to
That is the reason why Raga me not fight for no man, you know, because you look bad sometime, you know.
Okay.
If a female man, me not fight for him, you know, because supposing go through she you over me.
Then suppose you did in a fair position and you come home and you see woman sprawl out in your man bed and whatever. Or you that you know.
Raga hell and powder house in another place there, you know.
You that move to her?
Oh, you mean if me a step to her, right? Am my house that? Am my yard?
Then the same thing you just say when she come in and I said, no, go talk to the man where you talk to me.
Yeah,
then
but,
you not go talk to the man.
Me frightened so till me not know if it's something, me not say something, Raga.
No, but me I say, so when you come
me
up,
I put up a front.
Me know, so basically.
You don't know, say me little foot then go that tremble, then time there, confused.
Lay down in the bed like you're Cleopatra. And
me
thing with the boss yourself.
And on the head, well posed. You can't ask me when me
no,
do.
I know that pose there, you know. You lay down by your side. You lay down by your side side of the bed and on the head and thing like, what's your problem? Go talk to the man. Me a day are relaxing on your bed. Aye. Go talk to the other man that you have to talk to.
And bold,
you can't talk to you right now. I understand. Go talk to your man and whatever. He's him bring me here. Yeah. Hello?
Yes, Raga.
No.
But me know say, if I did somebody else, trust me, man, she would have mashed me up in there because I not like a bad, me bad.
Yeah.
Me afraid like a what?
Yeah, no.
But guess what? Me have to just talk, you know?
See.
Me have to front it up and go like me bad.
Yeah, gangster it up, you know? Put up a little.
Maybe that keep me after. If me that go on like me a coward, maybe she would have step to me.
Nah, man, then a bark save enough people and not the bite. The bark save enough people.
I'm glad you understand.
A bark save enough people and make some people get free. You know, when some dog bark, you know, you want to run, you know. And then you go and pick up one little stone, them splurt.
And then ball out and run.
And gone down.
Yeah, but she take the bluff.
You see it. That's
yeah,
a word,
so
man.
sometimes you have to bluff your way out, you know?
You have to. That's a word delicious. Big up yourself here.
Yeah, remember give another one with the ghost story now.
All right, say now.
When we are picking, you know, Raga, we used to, me and my cousin and one other guy, we put on clothes and dark clothes and go over one next year place, open lot like.
Yeah.
So we are going to frighten people.
Yeah.
So in the evening, we make a preparation, tie up buckle and can in a tree.
Yeah.
So at night time when the people them a garden yard now, we would go over there and shake up a tree and them get freed and some run.
Yeah.
Can't garden yard.
Yeah.
So one night now, but they have one black nightie when my mother buy me a learner shop.
Mm-hmm.
So me put it on, but I want stretch material frock like and it big. So me say, all right, put on the frock here tonight.
Yeah.
Because we are going to turn ghosts.
Yeah.
So it's like 3 women that come around now, man, and we shake up 3 and then turn back.
Yeah.
So then go back where them a come from and go complain to 100 and say, son dopey over there so. And them are frightened we and we afraid to go home.
Yeah.
Dread look like he say, well, Me go kill some duppy tonight.
Right.
So the dread come in like in full one crocus bag of stone, you know. And come round, you know. That time we up in a tree, you know.
Yeah.
So every time we hear somebody come, we start shake tree, man. You see, when we're over there shake tree,
Yeah.
the dread ball out well. Some duppy dead to what's it not sit tonight, you know.
And I tell me to throw this stone them up in a tree.
In deep in a bag and he start pell through stone, you know, Raga.
Yeah.
He pell stone in a Raga.
Yeah.
Me had a friend and his cousin jump out of the tree and run gone, you know, but we used to have to jump over one gutter, one drain.
Yeah.
To go over there.
Yeah.
Raga, me try to jump out and me 90 tail, itch up by one limb, you know, Raga. So me not have nothing for all and me just did a swing and a ball out, you know. And the rest are throw stone, you know. Stone a pell, buff, buff. And me did a swing helpless, you know.
Any of them connect you?
No, Raga, but you don't know what the limb tear off and me drop, because I couldn't take the weight of me and then me fall down.
Right.
Me drop, Raga, and me get up, you know, and me run, you know.
Running and you tear up block 90, yeah.
Yeah, when me reach to the drain now, me forgot to drop the frack for jump the drain. So me drop in at the drain.
Yeah.
So stone a pelt same way in a Raga, so me just bend down in a little dirty water drain, you know. And wait till everything quiet, you know.
Oh, God.
Then me hop and me dip and me drag over me yard.
Everybody
start laughing at me.
Yeah, because you stink with the ginger water.
Me stink with the dirty water.
Yeah.
Me chip up me knee. Me bust up me toe.
Yeah.
Everything that is bad happened to me.
Yeah.
So me I tell us that sometime, you know, Pia, you know.
Yeah, when I work prank, and things like that.
Especially when you are the follower.
Yeah.
And you are not the leader.
Yeah, and you can't go up a night mission in a big way named the Black 90.
then on night man and the only black clothes we could have find that time.
No, but it's all up though.
It's all me up, man. So me not turn no more duppy, you know.
All right, that's our word,
no,
man.
Sir.
Blessings.
Done with the duppy business.
All right, delicious. Big up yourself here.
All right,
cool.
right. Take care.
All right, so people, me telling us me take down the sleeping thing. Cause me post it to that. Someone I said wait there and whatever and thing like that. But me take it down because some people did go on too harsh with it, you know. So let me see if me can play it for me and now. Let me see if this scratch BC. No, hold on there. Wait there. I try play it for me and now. Okay, now hit this down here, sir. I should not move that, you know. Well, people, I'm going to play it one next time. Oh, hold on there, right there. Do I move this? Oh. So I'm going to bring over this now. All right. Let me see if I not see it. Yeah, I not see it. So, all right. Let me try play it now. Yo, my hand me glass scratch BC. Wanna see it? Hold on. Wanna see it? Good. All right, let me just bring it up here so and just block me temporarily. Or what? I'm trying to. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna just put it right here. Yep. So. So, you know, look at temporary blockings. Why don't I just tuck it over here? Raga. I set up him thing. Murder. All right, here we go. All right. Pull this down a little bit. All right, pull this down a little bit. All right, here we go. Yo, my hand me glass scratch, BC. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Control your phone. The Ragashanti. Really?
Eh?
You listen to it.
Wait. Yeah.
You not hear it?
Sexy blondie, what happened?
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
Yo, you ain't got nothing to be sorry about. You have nothing to be sorry about. Why may I tell you, you make a night a while ago, you know?
No, it's a lot, man.
Yeah, man, Osh, man, Osh, Osh. So when I, so who pick up say,
And, you know,
who pick up say you're there on the show? Who tell you that a while ago?
oh, God. Crazy, man.
Who? Are you cousin? Okay, all right. Now say a word, man, but you good though. Eh?
Yeah, but I want to talk about my story.
Oh, sure. Go on. You still want to talk about your story? Eh?
Yeah.
You sure?
But my husband.
All right, tell me about your husband. All right, that's it. And then she went on and tell about her husband and that was a hell of a something there or whatever, you know. It was most interesting, to say the least, or whatever, as many of you know, from the Surprise Friday show and things like that. And again, I had posted that before. Well, we used to thick skin and broad back over here. That's the other rule, right? So, you know, people are gonna laugh or you're gonna get a beating and thing. But when I posted this morning, some people were they never mean nothing. Let me just be clear. They were just running joke. But then I did post some strong things, you know, so me take it down. And I did that thing, I never want to go see that and then go say, you know, cause it's like a permanent post. I don't know, probably I'm being a little bit too, you know, sensitive for somebody else and things like that, because it's a mix-up show and thing like that. But, you know, I never, and people did a beat her, you know, jokingly, you know, and that type of that whole chuck, yeah, go pan over Spur Tree Hill and thing. So it was all jokes. But I don't know, something they just say, yo, take it down, yeah, man. So, you know, because I don't want to go see it and go feel. But so in the context of the show, I can't play it just now, because, you know. Boom. But that was it. Okay. No, again, for those who made the comments, nobody was being like caustic, you know. People just run joke, because you know, so my thing is a joke thing. We have a time where we get serious and, you know, we cry and we would, you know, discuss something tough or whatever, but people understand what we do over here, okay? All right? Okay, follow me if you're not following me yet. Follow me now if you're not following me. Let me see, 93,794. Oh boy. We're not gonna make the 94,000 tonight. All right. You know, say next week, remind me next week for the dopey mix-up. Right? We do dopey mix-up. And let's see what happens. All right. No, Friday that did just get me. That was off the chain, and that did take a show. Greetings.
Hello, Roger.
What's up?
What's going on?
Everything, you know, we give thanks, you know, the blessings overflow, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Big up yourself in a Roger. Let me tell you something.
All right. So we are saying night, you know.
My dear man. Just go and relax and I listen to you, bro.
Okay.
Just a big up to that's a missing your request.
Oh, yes, I give you a yell. All right. No
Big
say a
man.
word, man. All right. Where you yell from?
Maryland.
Maryland.
Jamaican, of course, but live in Maryland.
See, they won't know, man. They won't hear it in their voice already, man. Lock and seal, man. All right? Big up yourself down there in Maryland, all right?
Yeah, Raga.
Yeah, man. Love and blessings, man. Thanks for the yell, yeah?
Of course, anytime.
Mad thing, cool. All right. Hello.
Yo, Raga.
Wagwan.
Where are they now?
What me I deal with?
Yeah, I know me I deal with.
Yeah, man. I run the show. Yeah, yeah, where I say.
There with a mix up, man.
I could hear it, no?
Yeah?
Yeah, I could hear it, no?
Why, a woman mix up in a man.
Yeah, rinse it, no?
Don't even know if it started.
Well, just start it and I could hear it, no? Since today I listen.
Woman wicked. You know Visa?
If my feel say woman wicked,
Yeah.
some of them wicked, yeah? But I could hear the mix up, no?
Want to tell them they work and get a call and run come home to her house. It's a man in my house, I want to drop them.
Well, you're there at work and you get a call, say what?
Man of me yard.
Who call you?
One of my friend them.
Oh, you know some man there in your yard?
Not because you see.
So him there near your ends then?
You see what I go on?
I want him give you a call and say, a man in your yard, don't?
Yeah, and I said, we can report and make see what I go on.
And then when you go, so boom, you come out of work and shut it up there, don't?
Shut it up there and reach up there and say, blood, Raga.
No, then when you reach up now, tell her what you, no man, tell her what you do, man. When you reach up there, what you do? Go open the door, you screech it at the window, what you do?
I win and I go peep.
So tell her what
I
happened.
See the man being balls, them a sing.
When you peep through the window, I hear
yeah. Being balls, them they see us swing.
You see the man balls, them a swing.
Jesus Christ, Raga, I want to drop them.
So them a swing and them a service your lady, don't?
No, no, tell her, man.
Well, she didn't make any sound.
Well, Raga, I can't even make them sound. I didn't even know how to make it.
No, but she didn't make any sound. Eh?
I'm gonna get them sound in front of me. I wonder how I go on.
Oh, so why? So when you see that now, what happened after?
Boy, Raga, me have to bust in.
And then what happened? Yeah. And then what happened?
Be a bag of things start. Run up and down and all type of something.
You just give with general stuff, you know, you're not tell what happened, you know.
No, I mean, I say you want me to explain everything, man.
Well, that is what them do on the show, you know.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, I go and take it in.
All right, now say a word, man. Cool, yeah? I mean, I know when the man them get mixed up with... Hello?
Raga.
What's up?
You hear me?
I hear you good. What you say?
No, man, me a old sailor. Me a sailor story, man. So I call you and tell you my sailor story them from days.
Yeah, you did call and give me one what there.
Yes, man. 20 years in the Navy, you know me a whole heap of sailor story, man.
So you know, you want to give you a next one, you know?
Man, give you a next one, man.
All right, send it on quick.
So, let me tell this, which put me there. They're Philadelphia.
And
in Philadelphia, no, it wasn't Philadelphia, it was Chicago. Me there Chicago.
Yeah.
And you have, when you got a club, you only can't have one road dog with you. You know. So me and my partner, me tell him, say, watch out. If anything, we have to fight. Don't worry about nothing. So me down at the club now, and me at the back here and look down upon two young ladies. We just scoop them up.
Mm-hmm.
And when you're there at the club late night, you have to feed them now, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before you slaughter.
Mm-hmm.
So take them to the club now and tell her, say, watch out. Give me a number, me circle back.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So she give me the number, me circle back the next day, man. And she look out of the window in a Raga. I like say, what you know? We just slide up behind her and start service her when she's still at the window and look out, you know. So that, so that was one of those. And now here the other, I tell her, say, you can't stop serve your boyfriend, you know, because I'm going to get jealous. You understand? Because I'm new in town. You have to continue. She said, no, me like you off.
Hold on now. May I ask you something? What is going on why most of the man them on the call with Mixup? It's something on always a sort out woman. Now always a sort out a next man woman and thing and
No, Raga.
No, the last Mixup, where you did give something upon that, you take a woman from a man at one bar.
Yes, but no, because
I give you a next Mixup now, and it's a next woman.
Listen.
You just run up and you start sort out a woman at one window.
Well, on Raga, she meet at the club, give her the number. She call me if you come service it. Right? Me walking at the yard. She there the window prips out.
And you just run up and start service her?
Raga.
And that is a Mixup.
No, man. The Mixup is when the boyfriend should start servicing the boyfriend. I start servicing me.
No, but what me I say is, your last Mixup was basically something like that. A man did attack to a woman and him set her, she did position the wrong way and you end up going to take her and you start service her from the man.
All right. Raga, at the end of the day, me a sailor.
Yeah.
I have time.
No, I get that. What I'm saying is, when we are do this show and whatever, I don't think we're aware so we not do it as men. We don't know so we not do it. Most of them call in and just excited and you say, boom, 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 because you see the last one, you say, no, you have a wicked Mixup, forgive me, and whatever. But me say, what me make uno know, say what uno been a tell we is different versions of the same thing.
Oh, no, Raga. This have much flavor to it. Every one of them, because listen.
Well, you said that one have more flavor to it, though.
This one have more flavor, man.
Meaning that one are more exciting, though.
Yes, man.
The one where you just tell, though.
Yes, man, because he hidden in this story.
Yeah.
She have to call me if you get service in. You understand?
And that is exciting.
Well, on. Get at school, me at school.
Uh-huh.
We done school.
Yeah.
And you come back at your barracks and there's a note on your barracks that call me.
Yeah.
That's the cue. So I have to circle back and go service her.
You have to circle back and go service her. And that you're saying is exciting. And that you share with us, it is exciting. That one that were more flavorful.
Because I'm in a new territory, find something and start beat it down. And she takes set like sense of all.
So you find something, you start beat it down, and she takes it like sense of all. So a good mix up that for your share on Ragashanti show, no?
Listen, when you're young, and all your purpose in life is to service.
Yeah, but do you get it though, that you basically have said this? One, you have said something where it's not really no mix up no there, you don't get it, no mix up no there. But
no, yes, man. The mix up is when she stopped servicing her boyfriend. Boyfriend find out about me, and then him take it from her. And then she called me, me said, no, me tell you, said, don't stop. You understand? Man get mad because
a new man come in town and take her away.
Wow.
You understand? So me
Wow.
tell along the way, don't stop service
You
him.
tell her, don't stop service him, don't, because you're the new man.
Yes.
Yo, that wicked, you know?
So him find out, well, you know, well, it's default, because if him start get it on a regular basis.
But tell me something, you know. Let me tell her. So, how you come to make you so wicked and dangerous now? How you wicked so? Eh?
Because me a yard man.
You're a yard man.
And you have the gift of gab.
You have the gift of gab and you're full of excitement and all them things.
Yes,
and the girls,
man. So
yeah. And the girls, them weak to you, don't, because you get any girl
yes,
you
man.
want. Girl. And when you service them, you always service them good?
Properly.
Properly?
Right?
Of course.
And get service properly.
Properly. All right. Tell me about the time when you service a woman and you pop down and never go on good.
Oh, that happened in Japan.
Yeah, what happened?
Me in Japan, we pick up one and take her back to our barracks.
Yeah.
And me tell her, I say, what you know, me get her to leave.
Yeah.
Because a guilt catch me.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So me I walk out now, go to the end of the barracks and circle back.
No. You see, I give them one bag of details. You just tell me when you did a sort of route and you pop down.
Yeah, no, yes, man. Because when guilt catch you, when you are servicing, your tool drop. Right? So me tell her, I say, hold on, give me a minute.
All right, hold on. No, all right, no, good, this is good. But listen, man, thank you, because you obviously travel the world and you have all these adventures, all these exciting adventures, and you do a bag of something out there and think, story after story after story, you have henches amount of story, I think. I mean, you could have there a whole night.
That's why it's called a sailor story.
A sailor story. Big up yourself, doing, but thanks for that one, do yeah?
Brother, we have a million of them, man.
Me know. All right, then.
20 years in Navy, you know.
All right, then, Papa. Cool.
All right. We call
man.
you back.
Yeah, man. Cool.
One love.
Yeah, man. Into my heart. Into my heart. Come into my heart, Lord Jesus. Come in today, come in, I pray. Come into my heart. Aye. You know, I tell the boss, I say, man. And the boss said, nah, man, that one is more flavorful. All right, it flavorful. Yeah. Me just run up on the rail and just when she did the window and start service time. I tell her, and she called me and she said, nah, you have to go and service him. You can't stop. Okay. Gangster. Hello.
Go.
Yeah?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, man, I hear you good, man. Where I'm going?
Okay. Good night.
Good night.
Mine is very, very short.
All right.
So my baby daddy and I had broken up for a few years, right?
Mm-hmm.
No, for about a year.
Yeah.
So his now wife got a hold of my information. So I'm sitting down at home now waiting for my light bill to come.
Yeah.
On the 10th of the month,
yeah.
No light bill. The 12th, I decided to call SPL and ask what happened, why my light bill didn't come in. Right then, when people them tell me, say, somebody disconnect my lights.
Hey, man, when people them do all of these things and whatever, you know, ay, boy.
The girl disconnect my light, like,
She calling and disconnect
send
you like.
to another address, my deposit.
I send a deposit. I mean, them send a
Yeah,
deposit.
send me deposit. Yeah, gone somewhere else.
So how she get the information of well,
Raga no my either baby father, man.
Jesus. Hey, them used to go out with them some of that Jamaica wicked, you know.
Raga
Hey,
me that Florida and this a reach me.
and that I reach
I mean,
FPL.
tell us, me and this man not even together now.
You see it there?
Him only come visit him child and leave. That's it. When I see it together, nothing.
Yeah.
This man married and move on. And this woman decided to torment me. Raga, she go as far as to not find my phone.
Now, man, let me tell you what I know one woman do. A similar thing, you know. You know, so the woman get similar thing. The man and the woman left and a new woman. Back in the day, the protocol for your pick up dead wasn't it never have all of the regulations and with them. No. Right. So, you know, so this damn woman will call Madden and give Madden the man new woman. I said, yeah, I said she did or whatever.
She did.
Yeah, and Madden turn up with good earth and the whole works, you know. I said she named Sandra Brown, man. I said, well, come for the body of Sandra Brown. And she said, but it's me named Sandra Brown. And the man said, but what the body, but you're supposed to dead. And she said, I look like me dead. And when you come they used to look like me dead and every day I talk to you, but the man I say you're supposed to dead, but come as I'm a Sandra Brown, you know, whatever. And I made to do it, you know. And I tell them, man, people them do them something there.
Them something that did with kidneys. Me never understand why me like this kind. Me not understand how my phone they turn off.
So, you manage to find out now?
Call FPL and me ask them say which part me like is there.
Yeah, but you
People
like
them say, oh, we sending on a Tampa.
Damn.
And when he said Tampa, then that's when I remember said the wife come from Tampa.
Come from Tampa.
So I call the idiot and I say, your wife turn off my lights. Him say, no, go so. I say, all right. One day I go pick up the baby and she decides that she want to make trouble. I take up a pipe iron. And if the baby never in my hand, I never grip him properly, I beat her, you know. But I think say me go to jail. Because my dad, the husband owes. I don't know, my house. I'm the pan our property. And I'm your guy jail, I put back the pipe and like your trunk. Because I say me not go jail. I say come outside of your yard. That way they can beat you. I have a reason to beat you outside. Terrible woman, man.
Ay, boy, them type of idleness there and spite there and all them things, man.
Yeah,
crazy.
Man. God, that's how we have been with people. Him dead and she dead.
All right, then. Okay. What, the two of them drop out?
Each one of them drop out.
Oh, okay.
One after the other.
Oh, boy. All right. Now say a word here.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Yeah, man. Protection, man.
All
right. Yeah. Oh, Raga know that MTC story. MTC? I don't know. Yo, I want to big up respect to my Linky them a London, you know, Janet Benbow, big up yourself, you know. You know, Red Ras, gay and large up yourself, you know. Shabba, you don't know, you know. All right. Craigton, big up yourself, the whole of you know, all right. Yeah, and we are big up Ecstasy same way too. All right. Memory lives on. Everything is everything. Hello?
You know, Raga?
Yeah, Wagwan.
Over there, you know. They have a look at Mixup. I don't know if it's Mixup in a spicy like your other call of them, but I had this auntie, right? She was a Taliban from she was small. Story that I've heard from my mother and other aunties. And she beat woman. If she and you are friend and somebody a trouble her beat you up, she a fight for you. And she never lose no war. So she have this man where she have kids with and something, and she hear some stories say the man have woman. And she asked the man, and the man said, no, go so, and you know, lie them a tell upon him. She said, all right, we'll find out. So one night now the man gone her woman, and she follow him take time, change off her clothes, come out of her bed because she pretend like she asleep, And the man come out of the house and gone. So she trail the man and stand up and eat an apple tree and look down, get up and look at banking and look down.
Yeah.
See the man and the woman. I say my auntie take up a stone, and clap the man, the man flat at the same time.
She take up a stone and lick him in her head?
Clot him down, knock out.
Wow.
And him and the woman did it. And my auntie go home, wash her foot, go in at the bed. Like, I never nothing. So the man come in, pin and lick him left, right, and center, and the man can't say nothing because guess what? Him not have no woman. And him them I tell her nothing. So him can't go say. And he can't, say he can't go say somebody lick him down because you not have no woman, you're not supposed to know what that's so.
Right.
Yeah, so my auntie did
so when she whap him with a stone, when she whap him with a stone, him no know who lick him down with a stone.
He no know who lick him, so he can't go and complain.
John.
So my auntie just go back, wash her foot, then put her back at night and curl up in her bed where he left her.
That's why I tell you, I can't marry a woman that will do them something there, because
my auntie tell you about man, she beat everything.
Man. You see, in a bad
long
girl
time I listen to you, Reggae. Remember the story with where the man cut off the instrument and Kevin go show in wife, and the wife say, "What, Mr. Brown dead?" And the husband say, "Oh, you know, say Mr. Brown."
No, yeah, that was a joke. Yeah, it was a joke with somebody.
Yeah, from them. I mean, the one calling them time.
Yeah.
That time I was about 19. I'm turning 40 next month. And then telling me about 19, I listen to you. And the one calling and tell the same story, but I didn't know how to terms it. So, over the years, I've learned the terms and conditions of the show.
Learn the culture, the TamFam culture, right? That, it's a long time we are doing, decades. Decades.
Maybe I'll give you one story one time too, when they lick the man at the church, the deacon, and the man in a big spirit, and then the man shout out, "That's what I will lick me." In the big light spirit.
No, church. No, but the one we are talking about, remember, is that, was it with somebody blind though? It was a joke, people. It wasn't real. It was a joke.
No, man. The husband can't please the wife, and the wife always want more and more, and say want more and more. So she did a start up Mr. Brown, and Mr. Brown dead. And the wife see the instrument and say, "What a big instrument! I forget this going to show me." The husband saw it and said, "What a big instrument! I forget this going to show."
And when him show her, and as soon as him show her, she said, "Jesus Christ, Mr. Brown dead."
Mr. Brown dead.
Yeah, remember. No, it was something to do with like Kendall crash or something like so. Yeah, whatever. And then
I don't even remember, but I remember that story.
No, that me I listen a long time then, man. That not from At 102.
Yeah, the first radio show did upon.
The first radio station at 102, yeah. That's not even News Start 93 FM or Nationwide. That's from at 102. A long time, that man.
Donkey years.
All right, now say a word, man. Big up yourself.
All right, Reggae, good night. Big up
man.
yourself.
Blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, we did have Fun Friday. People call in and get joke, Hello.
No clue, Gaga.
What go on, Elaine? What go on? Wow, scene.
Mr. Raga, them two last man that were called, the one who traveled the world.
Yeah.
If you see how my heart a beat fast. And no, of them, just talking to you, Raga, me still nervous.
What you mean?
Me just nervous, and you not see me and me alone, I see you, me love. Raga,
yeah.
You see them two man that the youth are talk about him friend come call him about him woman there. Start out with the next man and blah blah blah. They make me feel like when me having my period pain.
Jeez, oh my God. But that is a turn off.
Turn off, Raga. All when the man say spicy to the one that I may look for the spicy, see if a curry or a all-purpose. Me not see no spice.
No spice in it, auntie. But the man said the thing spicy and flavorful.
Me I tell you. Raga, big up dog bite. Me and the dog see me rich nice.
Yeah, man, dog bite,
Big up
man.
yourself.
The Jenna, you see it, dog bite and things. See it? Yeah, man, him there about, man.
Anyway, me have a baby father mix up.
Rinse.
Me used to live on one property, but a 2 house upon the property. And you can't sell the back house or the front house, because if you come from the side there, you would have said the front house. And if you come from that side, you
other
still
side.
would have said the front
At the
house.
front
You
house.
understand?
Right.
So you can't take it two-way. Anyway, I'm a baby father. Family control the place.
Yeah.
So we live in one house, me and him, and then rent out the next house. One Indian and a man live. The Indian girl and a black man live.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah.
they come see we.
Yeah.
But the Indian girl, she no work, but her man work at one big company. Me not call the company name.
Yeah.
So she have white liver.
Who, the Indian girl?
Yes, man.
Yeah.
My baby father name start with D. My brother name start with L. And my baby father cousin name start with M. Them alias name.
Right.
So anyway, me hear say my baby father dig it.
Yeah.
When me ask and them some them hear say my brother dig it.
Yeah.
Me ask again, me hear say my baby father
Cousin, I
dig
did.
it.
B-L-I-M.
But me know say my baby father, you know, harm and dangerous.
Yeah.
So, anyway, one day me later, because me never used to work, him do stone work.
Yeah.
You know, cut stone, build wall.
Yeah.
So anyway, Raga, one day me later, about 9 o'clock, me see him come at the window, because them window, board window where you push out, you know?
Yeah.
And he come to me and say, oh, you come from work so early. I thought the man go early, you know, and reaching at the woman house, but me never know. Anyway, one day me come down at my mother house, so me hear one youth say, your baby father up there. So me say, no, in that work. So he said, no, him and him come off, I see him bus and sit and me go.
Right.
So when me go up Ragashanti, the house quiet, like nobody know that they just quiet, you know, you no radio, nothing, but you have a bush, you know, a bush with barbed wire where you put over, you put and go over the barbed wire.
Yeah.
So me go over the bush side because as what me say, no, the two house them upon a land, so you know, say bush they over there, so with mango tree and all kind of sitting.
Right.
So me over the Raga half an hour, nothing, me can't see nothing. No time me hide in the bush, you know, so long grass. So them nobody now pre there, so but me over the bush. Half an hour Raga, nothing. 1 hour, nothing Raga. Anyway, me see the door pull. And she come out, and me see she look so, and me see she looks so. And then my heart started pass now in a Raga. Me say, okay, that little wretch in the house. Oh, she could have pre the two outside. Him send her to look at the two side to see which part me there. She not see me. So she go back in, go say something to the person. Raga me dime to see who a come out. You see when me look, and my baby father come out with no shirt on. Raga, I just step over the fence because me want him see me see him. You know, want when me attack him and go say it wasn't him.
Right.
Me want him see me see him, and me want him to say. You understand what me
Right.
And Raga, you see when you see me when me step over the fence, hungry, and he see me.
Yeah.
Remember, if the earth could have sink, it sink. And me say, it's all right. Me not say nothing. And I don't say nothing, Ragashanti. The girl, man, did give me one calendar because as one me say work at this big company.
Yeah, the girl, man.
And the yes, and the number they pan it. So me call the morning. And like them, me say, can I speak with Ragashanti? And then say, all a moment, I know call I go through and call I go through. And when he come on, he say, Ragashanti, whatever. And me say, Raga. And him say, Wagwan, Ilian, because him know me, no. And them some there, so. Me say, you know, say, no woman, a grind with D-L-I-M. Me see, yeah, me say, me see my man, I come out of your house, me hide over the bush, and see because people tell me, and me see for myself, and then something. Now when he come home, I see Raga, me a balling round there, I put it on Panarina, and he say, what grind you? Here are DLRM, quick and fast, yes, and him put it on Panarina.
Yeah.
And me I tell you, say, she carry on and she carry on, but he didn't make complaint to my baby father and he come to me in an argument and them something there. And me and him worried too a little bit because it wasn't like Raga.
Yeah, I never like how you make sure him see you when you catch him.
Exactly, me not steer over the bush and say there pee. Me make sure if you see how my foot just long over, if it did ever drop, you see Raga. The vampire that hits me up. The way me come over hungry. And that's a mile to me.
No, what you say, you step out of the bush over the friends, angry, don't
Yes, man, me just go to the bar wire. But you can't see me, Raga. Me I stand up and I show you. But you can't.
No, right you, you better not do it. We just make you talk because, well, I not right you at the beginning, you're going to say, if you come over that side, yeah, and I come, you know to myself, no, you know, it's an alien that they act out the something and things, so me I look upon her and think. Cause you know, if you come over that side, yeah, it can be different. Come over that side, yeah. Yeah, and at the right you when you talk, you talk like nasty.
Nobody feel say them period pain them a feel. Quick and fast.
Quick and fast. All right then, Elia. You know some love you do. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, love you more.
All right,
bless
love and
bless
bless you, man. Big up yourself down there, Jamaica, man. Cool.
All right,
Ragashanti. Man. You see how Alien come and just deal with the thing. I'm gonna leg her right, you know. Yeah, when she said him look that side, and then him and look that side as if I know which side, because clearly she has said which side it is, you know, but like me telling you, when you have some people I give mix up and them a flow and people I enjoy them, me no need to say nothing, I just listen and make them flow, because them thing, you know, connect like that. Alright. Him looks so, and then him looks, yeah. People may have a Lego now, yes, sir. No say a word, man. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know. Ragashanti pan TikTok, Ragashanti live pan TikTok, so the thing set down. And I'm Morris, man, alright. When I found I pick it up, you know, it's by 10 o'clock. I found a drop out with the sleeping, you know. But we know ain't going on, and I have work a morning and all these things, though. Big up on yourself, Queen Nash. Large up, Latte. Large up. Alright, Kiki. God's Fave, my son. Brian. Yeah, Jojo. Hardball and the whole crew. Tiana. Michelle. British Unruly, we call in and thing. Big up yourself. Trini Love. Don't know. Foundation, though. Cassie. Yeah, Harley Quinn. All these names. Paulette. Good night, one and all. Kimoy. Sham. Good hands, strong body, Sham. Cheryl Bless, who buy a Ragabash ticket already. Big up on yourself, man, alright? I say a word, people, when they are seeing. And I'm Morris, man. Take care of yourself, man. Out the road. Yeah. If you not follow me yet, follow me now before you leave. If you not follow me yet, follow me now before you leave. If you not follow me yet, follow me now before you leave. Good night, folks. Nighty nighty. Cool. Don't it, Sham? A good neck massage when I do my well right, I know, me nah lie. Yeah. A proper neck massage, you know. How sweet, Kimberly.